mu share nim say enipa 6,839 enipa 6,839 and one mu share nim wa say 19 polling stations ya one mu susu cement mu ho asisi so ema wo ntimi enkoleti ye besi sabre no one abeto abanne na nyakopon ya de mo matumi akoleti no mo de akoka dada ne ho no wo matumi adikra winner na midi kan kopie mu e wo polling centers ne mako sisi ade toso dum ana me wo sesei me kopie mu e wo Atiko anase Ateku eye senior school complex Ateku
SOMPA FM
na e ho no opani a washa abato no so e wo metre presiding officer eye Mame Linda Aban wono ena ye presiding officer wo hwe Ateku senior school complex ho ehwa no no mu hwe ni mu ase enipa 645 ena wonom ebeba beto aba ho as at 6:30 anopa na mi free ho ne de na bibia de da kwamu BVD machines miedo afei one ballot papers any one box afei indelible ink ya one behia na bibia de da kwamu a bambon so nsam de na mi free ona aposifo a wo mo ho be se nwotwe ena na as at 6:30 no na one mo ho medimani kochire mu e wo St. John's the Baptist Church eho PO a ono ho eye Owura Joseph Obeng any PO a ho na eho no so na wo mo hwe anim se adehia 341 ena na wo mo hwe anim so mbetumi abeto aba e wo St. John's the Baptist Church a wonom ebo be no so e pa ho minute ni be se aduonu enum no 7:25 no na nipa wo mo atimi ato wo mo aba eye mako so na nipa wo no atimi ato wo mo aba eye mako so ye fi honom ade ye ni kochire mu e wo Bethel Baptist polling center and so empanifo chire ye mu se wo mo hwe wo manim ese wo ba beto wo mo aba eye 431 na wo sha sade na bambo hunsam ejira brane wo hono na eso ani ye pa na yesanso bepie mu e wo Church of Pentecost not Odoko 2 na wo bepie mu e wo Church of Pentecost not Odoko 2 a e ho returning officer anase PO a wo sha abato no so eye Owura Abdullahi Sani wo mu hwe ni se enipa 67 ene betimi aba beto aba na nonkono pa ho minute no aduanan eba akono na enipa aduonu emienu 22 ena na ato wono aba yesanso kopie mu e wo Pentecost wa not Odoko 4 e ho so PO ayo Owura Joshua Esiedu na wo mo share ni se enipa 137 ene betumi abepie mu aba beto wono aba nonkono apa ho minute no aduanan emiensa no 9:43 boy no na wo mo matimi ato wo maba eye 35 na ye kopie mu our Almighty Abrekuma Presby Church Odoko Abrekuma Presby Church Odoko ho ana mentimi ho ase bi esole ho na enya asam ketua na eho no PO a wo no owo ho eye Abdul Kadir na ebo be se na wotwe no epa ho minute ni be se edu enwotwe no na wo mo matimi ato wo maba eye 23 na wotwe epa ho minute no be se edu nwotwe no na wo mo matimi ato wo maba ewo Presby Church Odoko eye polling center ho no na wo mo mato wo maba eye 23 na wo mo hwe wo mo anim ewo sa center ho so mbetimi abato wo maba no eye 112 na Obrempong way eho no ana mentimi ho ase bi esobe ye ewo Presby Church Odoko polling center ho esanse ye ne akoye no na wo mo de akwakose asodan bi mu eye Presby Church asodan na no wo Odoko no eho na no wo mo de eye wo mo isi nyema ni nyina akwakogu a wo mo to aba no na yekodu hwa ne hu se kokuo bi asole na adehia ni kire mu se afi bia wo mo to aba aya wo mo to na bontene na wo mo anti asia se wo ena de wo mo de akwakose asodan mu wo entin se wo mo amfampie ama monten nipa 23 na wo mo to ye na no ano no bu ya matu bio entin na nam so ama aposi o ma aposi adwuma ko se de wo mo bo ban je ban ko adehia no ban no Upiemu our Madina divisional commander, chief superintendent, Dr. Abba Afari, Wano Anna Eja Oshe Apostle ni nyina so ewo Presby Church Odoko ho be polling center ho no ayedie ne wonom ekasa ye no. Ana maami chem se ade no wonum se ansha na nsuo beto. Enu nti ena oja isi officials no. Ema wo mo de niam ni nyina akọ dem se wonom beto na abonten a nsuo beto na afei ena wo mo besesa wo mo niam no. Emboa ntinka wo mo nja wo mo no mo nso aba no waso dem on so temamfo ansa da hene ne ha wonom kire mu se ehunu bi penti ana abo asere wa ajeje ne ba agora na wayi nani ato nkyɛn wonom se afi bia abato koso a upie mu ewo abrekuma eye north ha no mu se ya baabi a mimi wei eye Presby Church ho wo fa ho no mu abesi Pentecost north eye 2 ene 4 ya se wo mo to abeya wo so wo mo ta awie mu pa ene ade hye na asɛm a wo mo ka no no enti no wo mo ntena ho ma wo mo nso aba no wodam na sebio wo bi ankofa baabi anfa bibi ama mewurawura ballot box nim enko wiase emiye mechinchin wo bi nsa gunachi nti wo ante ase ene wonom no wo mo twe papa na anya asɛm ketwa enti no ebra Medina chief superintendent maami nsa ya ade na ebru wone na postifo asabre no na wo mo ho ne so na wo se wo free reinforcement ema reinforcement wonom ba yo wane hu se postcards be se 4 eba ya na DSP Kofi Sapon edi wo manim ene santre na efe a wonom eto ya wo mo ba ye ene adehia no be kasa ye o me post adwuma kwa no mo so wo mo nyina kasa ya wo mo hwe ye hu se asomdua ba ansana wonom ma yisifo no ayiyi wo mo niam ne nyina afri aso dan nim aba bonten akopɛ canopy metric tent ewa ama wo mo atena se a ansana adehia no so ehya ase se wonom eto wo mo aba na ebra me bepie mu ewo Church of Pentecost Odoko not 2 hono no eho 2 ne 4 no ebom center ne emienu eben pa na empanimfo ani ntini atwotwuro na wano ba ye mehu wononyamfo esi edunkete ya titena ni de ma NDC amanyiko waba ababa bepie mu ha ene akra meyon so eba ye bi afenso wuhwemu asade Owura Malek Basentale waiye wamo boss woba ye sede na moto di nanim na moto yi aso mo ntu bi mfa soro aso mo fa bi mfa nchem aso mo fa bi wura bridge na se na nya asam keto akra na efe na so ni edwane sansa ye edwane apre ye nkwa na wanu mo ba ye mpanifo ni enitin nya chocho wuro ba ye wo mo ni obi akasa fine wo mo abehwa abato no so na asem ba ko a na adehie ni bibisa ne sei efisa ye hyase ebo apro ena no pe yehu na akua afiriye a wonu wagina mu wo MPP di mu yehu no e wo centers ya yakoni na nanso ubepie mu e wo Pentecost Church Odoko not 2 any 4 na ye nyina yehu sepeni a wagina mu e wo NDC amanyokom mami awurabna oben ene waba ha be 3 times wo ba ni woko na ebi mu ese wo mo ntia se nke ni kwan se wo ba ha ene ade ene bi nso kaso so oba ye o meye boni bia wo ba ba be hwese bibia de akwan mu a erunti no oba ne ade a nanso no sade asompa yeso ye tiefo asompenti ye kwaso ase de beka fom bia no ye ma ye tiefo asonsi na obrempo we se wo hu social media no so ana wo te se police ni bi appoint se ni bi ama na mo maso hunan no as spectacle me say nya sam katoa mimi dimri ka free station na me won bedu won na kire say esibachi na meme ba ya no kakra wo mu kire me ne say ensam training ni ba no take coverage a wo pese wo take wo wie ye no free center ho betena ka akwan ne ho ba ye ne bugu ka akwan yi ho na wo so what ho no no kwan po ni ensam training a wo ho ana police ni ne ba ye wo so won so lenko ana wo se men so lenko say ana wo se me so ko so o na se me nua ma wo mu ye ensam trofo bebre fa adan na me ana abeka kire me se menko enu na mente me ho asesore ya wo si na so ato ase na ne spectacle ne na yi da baabi go tabi na do mo buku papa bi die na da baabi no na won mu ya se ne mu maso ahono ne ade se ya entire to ne ade yi enti anu ne si ye e wo Pentecost Odoko not 2 ho na sa punch ni esi ye na obifo wo mu kire mu se aha ne de e hyepa o baabi a me wei wo mo se abrekuma not ye betu aba mente me ho ase be sole ya baabi a me we sa kire center si eno pa na etimi esole wo so a aya na anu odin nti na ye nam ha ahweye ene ye de nam ha no so far so good about one ekoso wo si adwumako no so de wo mo ayade se wo mo ka si edi akonyaba na wo mo ka ba ko bi a obi temu a wo hu no enu na etwa ma ya wow sa no enti no posifo ne de wo mo doso power ha posifo ne doso o mo doso enti no ama boys na wo mo di moto no yi skills ne ade no one so atelenku one side a ye hwe de besi a chances say ne de abato na ekoso asomdwe mo ekoso asomdwe mo na senses na ko no mu amedi mani chemu no emu sam na bia so no telefone ya hwefe
abake ansana meja wa mo akono prosini no a wo bo nsantwreni no a say na wo ka ho asem no ukọ social media no so a manfo so pa ne pa yesi wono na ye Adentan Divisional Police Commander uhwe mu no sa na tie
Obempo sharp papa and tie sadia one mo exlebo no e san say on say e o mo letter na wo mo dia ba na mo dia interdict na kasanto no ma sada amfa ni dini amma and the ayan some trofo ya ye ground so dia ye so beto to form e kakanka obi ho no obisa na aso peso yi wa no aso peso be yi wa no so ya na kwa ye beka so e be ye facts and figures no wo ye da ya e be nya sa fa na tie na Obempo we me wo NDC ni papa bi wo ha no me say wo me nim senka kwanya wo me nanka ye be no
fana bra
atwetwe enkomo ba ko ni bi ebi wo ho no mo a enti gina soma me na me friend and brother
twene bra abusia ya ne abena bedu adepa kofi na ebo nkomo no na wono ewo ablekuma no fa bato mpesua no so nti NF Sena Medical kan focus ni nyina ewo ablekuma no ho na focus no ewo abake wawie okay woguso ene ne kasa ewo ho nti wonya ne pe ye de ne beto aso na nsem bebre ewo ho a ye pese ye bo ho nkomo pa ede ma wo adwo aso mo ho na abake ba ne wura
na abusuanfo senia na ye dinkyeremu no ebremu a na abake echechemu no video bi dintre ha pa ye nyasem kuma ko ye Facebook page no so a ye di video no ato honom ya na efa prosini bi a washing centroni ba ko pasum ya na sa brantie no GH1 television ena na wo firi a waba honom a wono so said ye no obi a reporters ni gu hono no so ginamu bi no obi nim de ba ye se kɔ ose menko eno ne se ye hu se police ni ne ba ko apia no a wo pagya ne nsa kyese na so muta na nya sem kuma kura abrantie nyina ni so na ye kokoyi na no omafo bi kyese na divisional police commander de wusifa ye den na utua na mo bia etisei ene enkomo no akwa ba video no ene da ye Facebook page no so enya asem kuma o enya asem kuma kra na se ye kase Ghana procedure mekuo no wo mo eden central fonkrata se apia bonten ya wo mo ba mane se video no a na agentre ha wo social media wo mahunu bi na wo mu no yenso eyade bibia de pefe se eye police officer ono ena na wo mu a wo di sa adwuma no enti ye kase wo ma ho no ya interdict no se ablekuma north hokra bato mu ekoso ne bambo a prosifo no wo mo kwa akobo e wo honom no yeyi ne de afiri honom enti se sia wono no woni premises honom ebiem na prosifo se wo mo edaso a yenhwehwemu e wo saa ensem no ho a wo ma refer asem no ama Police Professional Standards Bureau for se wo mo enye nhwehwemu emfanfa ensem no ho na biaya esese wo mo de to no wo mo de ato enti wo hye nkrata ya eba bonten a Ora Richmond Mensa, Assistant Superintendent of Police, or no ye Director Public Affairs, ewa Ghana Police Service, wono, ena nensa esha senache se the power of social media enono, enti sabe uye jumayeni, uye abaye jumayeni, na utuwa na mobia ensem fata, nimdi ojine chire, ya wono so show, ya no washa show, niyama nuwa yeni ye, na police officer diye, wekra diye sabe, wanya normal officer bi keke, Divisional Police Commander diye, yesusu se, sesa uhunu mrana ote mrase, na wo esesa wo bo manfo ho ban no wo bo ko bo obi asomu a na yetimamufo no ye nam ho no ye no den ne yenye enti ye kasa die owura no wo mo a interdict no ye ni edi akira se de beko bia no so ye de ho amanebo ebeto amoso
no na manfo busa sa den na wo board sa na de so page ara de no so an reply ni bi but wo to ne nsa
kweda kasa wa assault to police officer
in prison ne de no mo die nyina ye nyina ne ma education ne fa ho abake akwaba abage otimenka
aha mete wonka papa
mo afi yanto aso mfiri ho
Yo, Obrempong said ye di kan e de to ye tie for ni ahwefo anim no say ne de abrekuma not about some peswa Pentecost not odoko center no 2 and 4 ho na megina say na menya papa kese ba ko ha no NDC oh yeah NDC ni fa all the time brasa me na dodo na afa ne pese ne twetwe komoti brasa me efiti anopa a wo ba ye e be hwese de abato no aircon me fa cho
oh abato de da ho ba ko yam say aha na no good police personnel ba ko bi no di which1
SOMPA FM
ba later on we say roko commander mi ba na solve this problem apart from hard to kwa bi ansi ko fine the two abanifa
na police ni a wode obo ensemturo ni nani no why you on for commander go
bacho no ba yet the you no on share from abano no so ba the phone na so business abi jira ni chen e wo am to e do share police media ni ina me jira ni chen ina police ni bisa say oye ko dia person you no so dey on by profo ni nanu media dey wa bibia akọ on ina so and ordinary media no so media no ade to pam no bibia ye go to police dey kata enti offer other police in sanka on funny the MPA e wa point because of this checkpoint I just want you know so media bibia on abona so nti me yes because of me media
na aside that you put say mama Arabna thing wa ba ha for so secretary no na ba obe
ya oba okasa kire yenya buche nenkoto abana obi anya bodo mo obi anya ntutu asem wa ha because abodo no kire wadwe na misumi kire ma ana yo ka kire wa
ana who say see edunkati anso abaha orama basa talent so abaha no ba den no
omunya e ka kire say ya ha na o aba wo Pentecost ha no nenko to house ne from number 2 aba in peaceful you to we are obi ran of
and see not a
okay
to a moti a MPP stronghold na NDC
ekoye ba is from na ye to about 22 year de 2020 for abana omunya ba ku
SOMPA FM
ti mo hwe ni mas number bo na mo wi
pacho
okay abake
Obrempong
aha ebre nu nti wo ho so mu wo ho na yenko nuanom aka no so ho nkwaji bi mra sesi a why na ansana obekọ no yehunu se ase nkrofo bi nso ni prosifo wo do mu nhye prosi uniform ni bi wo mo ase o makọ te se tax force fo bi ase private security bi batom ya macho ni bia wo mo no wo mo djuma pa ne se wo mo ni police nso collaboration no se na tie wo ho
aha akofo ya wuke ya mi emi bi dina manim ya aka die ya ke o mata
abake ma phone me o kakra na ase one ne wachiri
aha me say what
aha
mesen kofo ya wubisa na asabi ya na me enu gina me nchen sisi ya na wo mo no wo ma pocket fine ade wo mo che wo ma twomu KK then tax force KKS tax force sana egu wonem atade enim but the almost so ewa ha wo mo ye ne say ebia u hwe ba bia me gina sisi wo mo the police from barricade no ajeje ha eti sa wo meto aba wo mo ma wo nwuram se u beto aba wudu han ma wudi kan kire wo ID card ade beto aba en ponsam kirofo ni nyinampo se wo so wo obi enwuram nti ene ejina kire na eja wo beteki coverage bia na wo twa phone tete na wo de aye enti wo mo no me hu ni se wo mo bua aposifo no na afi bi hu eye prison ayifo wa ha sei wo mo so eboa ma bibia akoso na mi se de hu se wo mo eye basabasa ye bia de e wa ha
na abake ne kura mu no ai kane imra shebedwani a yase yabo no how akomisen
Obrempong de asama bo
dabi ni nyina ka ho no ma ye hunu bie no nso den wanya free mu na efri hit he ba ha ba ye den e de ni si ye
no so on se baby e si ye no ye far from baby amimi we say no it is some training bi na de be chem se be who say na sense me shine na me bi sense training ni say what say na saying ana wonu o kire mu say wo mo se wo mo hu ne say waba center hono no eye ma be ha wa kumsen ladies aba center hono ndc fo na wo mo ne ka kire ne say wo mo mpe ne wo honom wonko e san say de e bi afi daninti ana wo no yesa ana yesa ma me no so ono so onko because oyekuba a ono so ni kuoba ene gina mu bi a wo mo to aba no nti ho na meti mo ase ekosi ya enam so bi hu say ya criminal hwe na Obrempong we asem ya we bi say e bi similar one esiye our Presbyterian church our doctor has a yard and maybe I'm a coy. And one so not a NDC money be a argument to be a hard one must say easy or penny or free easy as you are by yes on my monitor about one more per mammy or one family video and cry at 2 pages so one more per mammy or hot. As I say this is money be argue say mammy no every be our baby shop about was so our important heavy out of what ever we move. Akoso etu abo mpe maame ne wo honom etu wo mo ye de be ye wo mo sesa maame na nkwa wo mo nto aba no e na wo man process de meko no wo mo ye ya sanya hye wo mo so mo mpe wo wo de ekọ na se wo mo tuwie na sort and start ya wo be tumi aba ansana wo mo ne maame ne kisa maame no ekọ so video no me de 2 pages would be to to Facebook no so said the bear ya hwefo no so ebehwe it is similar one and the see ye e wo maame baby sawa kumsi die hu a onko na see criminal issue ani ade ya ekwa ye tin so
yo awake pensuo bi gu mini mu pe kasa menu awata bi na ahwe gu mini mu sesi a ohu na fe brepam no ye besa ba ne aba beto aso ho wate
mate Obrempong
mo na abusia join ye wo Facebook ne so SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra adwoa enyanika na 19 punie pew chese etoda unsheda nti nipa ase unsheda enti de nipa no we ye how akumsi ho de
ai bia na akasakasa ne si ya na wo mo ai obi na ahuri atu se play no nipa o chese
abusia SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra Facebook ni YouTube ni SOMPA FM live join ye ho na checheku ahoma no so adwo afa no
yo opon we ma hai na abusia ma yenko ye chika kransem twani no a yekodi ni mpabro wo ho a ye kasa police officer no kra no ye interdict no SOMPA kase atwipini no emye ne no edididi nkomo bisa no de esi yankasa wo kire mu kakra na wo de HRS wo no kra no wo nya aboni bia wo ba ye adwuma na esese wo mo ye no enu ana na wo mo ye na wo hunu de ekoka ya officer no se won twe ne ho emfamfiri ho emo se wo na madwuma na ma ba ye ntinya abotre kakra ni se papa no wanya koma wo bo na so nsa no ye ntie nsem a wo de to ye nim.
For me, I don't know the name, but he just came to approach me that to leave the premises. Meanwhile, there was other media guys in the premises, but he didn't ask anybody to do that. But he just approached me to leave the premises. He said, no, I can't go. What if I go and something happened? How do I report? So he just slapped me. He was pushing me. He said, no, I can't go. And he slapped me in the face for no reason. I have not done anything wrong to anybody. And for me, I think that the man has taken an interest. In fact, after you to allow laymen to do this. Laymen must do this, but not an officer. Who knows the law? What is the freedom? In fact, almost the freedom. Freedom. What is it? So for me, I've taken note that Monday morning, I'm going to see the commander, official complaints commander at Accra. The Accra Melo has also come to talk to me about the issues. So they have asked me to go and make a report at the police station for the next level. Yes, I complain because we all complain about media freedom. And now what has happened is an officer, not a layman, an officer has come to slap a journalist. That means just insight or interest in whatever you are doing here. So we are all watchmen. So if I should leave the premises and go, what will happen behind me? How do I report issues?
Enti we kwabena jekumba na hene ensentroni no a police ni ne bo na som no en wo kyerɛkyerɛ ne nsɛmu ɛde ɛkyerɛ yɛne yɛ kwa ahoma no so na yɛne ɔpon kyekyeku akɔtwetwe enkomo na yɛnya no ɛnteɛ sɛ biaye bi wɔ hɔ no mu asikakyɛ bi kɔ so ya na ɛneɛ sɛ sikakyɛ no sɛ hwan hɔ ne free ba nanso no ɔmanfo dodoɔ no a ɛgyidi sɛ Radiant Preparatory School ye no ɛwɔ Sakaman ɛhɔ na no wɔ mu ɛkye sika no ɛne yɛ ma wɔ mu bi wabra ansa na wɔ mu kwakɔto aba no ɛne ebinom so kɔto wia no waba no wabɛgye wo deɛ ya yate sɛ 100 Ghana bi ni adeɛ kura piepie mu ɔpon kyekyeku wɔ no na ɛde akyire obetimi ɛde nkyeremu ahodoɔ abrɛ yɛ ɔpon ma hai
SOMPA FM
na ɔpon temenka
Mama, Timinka.
aha mebacho sesia no wo bia ye ben na wo fa ye me ye hu de ekoso ya te sesikache bi koso ewo Radiant Preparatory School ye no ewo Sakaman ya na wo mafo bi agi sika ansa na wo makoto aba bi no so koto wia no waba no wabaji usika emu nkyeremu ankasa ne sen
Me da se anopa brema probo a SOMPA ka se ye tie hu gu monten so ewo eye ablekuma north SOMPA so no sabi nipa doma de yo de ansha unya no peperepe yo se ne aye mpem bebre na no yesusu se ewo se abeni dombia no yensa betimi eka no na ene abato a ekoso ewo eye mpeswa yisu yi eye ade bia adedi ekyese se Ghana ye kabe mami kabie no ye toso na ye de hu nimdie ekwa eye ade ebeboa ye mpa dachi na be ye nchima ne so ebeba no wo mu nkonya sobuo bia emfa emoye asema wo kan ye esiye ewo Radiant School a eno ane wo Sakaman se na odi kankan ye no na eni nyina kanfua no sikache ne de e kama te se ye woni magana batoɔ no ane ebi obetinya ka ne trada saa keke ne mum se kone kokopie mu a ewo mu se eko edi tia ye mra ebra ye to abamu se yetimi kyeche sika wo mu no ensen fata no ye hu ni se broni beka ne normal mifi ewo no mu edimani ekokopie mu enso ewo eye mia efufuro ebi ebrem free eye Radiant wo no mu no na midimani ekokopie mu ewo eye Bintu na Bintu nso eka eye 19 polling stations a electoral commission se yenhwe na yemfa wa bato foforo no ensanso enfamra no nti Bintu wo no nso no bibia toto na kwamu eho ye din eho na eye one polling station pe nti no anhyada emfa pressure bia enko eye eho no esa kwensi ene enya ne ntie se yemehwe eye Ataiko school complex na eho no mo na eye nipa dodo a na sabre na ye hwe nim kwan so mbetima ba beto aba no wo mu nyina dodo eye 645 na omatimi apeja o mabatuo mu sabre nimpo ama no akwakodu eye 50% die na te so ma ya de pa internam sokra ama eye Ataiko school complex mami Linda Aban wadi tudwa echemu se wo mu se wa presiding officer bi echemu die ene ne presiding officer no obebo adehia aba so pa e wote eku ho se o matimi epu aba beto aba no na o mu gidi se bra ye de ato akwam ni bewie no na o mu nyina timi aba beto o maba ama yenya eye intowachiw bia enso ewo mu ebie na ensem kakra a aba beto dwa ekyerese aya ntem bebre na no bebre na ekọ so mo kwakoto aba na emrantie o mabeti ketikati wo mu si o mu ho kwan na ye ma wo mu enkonkoto bie ebi won nso na obekọ no na fe obie bisabisa nsem eba saa edi hugo edi ba bebo no aprobo ni mu ano eye nkan se meyo a woda eye emi nso ano no ono so eti no gu montin so ema wode na probo nso ni na mu a na okopie mu ewo eye odoko biaye bia na eye Mount Zion Methodist School ewo no na woni mu se abatoɔ no ade a ebi ekoso ewo ho saa na bia okopie no ye maame akua fi yie ne camp host anase bia ya wo campo ne manfo no eho na kyese ne wo no nso wakɔ akokopie no nso pinchen anhye na ama no hom no so esanse afani mi enu nyina bambo ade a na wanim enu nti omohweye emantiase eba beto na akwamu mane meyo ɔsan so hura tena ne kaa mu ɛma kyerɛ sɛ ne poa otu ne hyɛn ɛde kɔyɛ ankyɛ ana yɛnya ne nteɛ sɛ ɛyɛ awohyi BBL police station hɔnom nso yɛsɛ SWAT team foɔ bi ɛba betie mu ɛwɔ ɛyɛ ɛhɔnom nti na wɔsɛ yɛkɔkɔhwɛ sɛ ne yɛte yɛ no ɛnokora na ɛnokora yɛkɔɛ nso no yɛsɛ ɛnokora SWAT team no ɔmo kɔ mo petrol team na bɔ ɔmo baeɛ ne na ɔmo nsa ka mmeranteɛ mmienu bi nanso nneɛma a ɔmo de gyina sɛ ɔmo de fɔm no mpanimfoɔ a yɛ amanfoɔ no mmienu nyinaa bɔ wura mu ɛma ntiase tumi baeɛ na kyerɛ sɛ neɛ saa nkurɔfoɔ yi gya ɔmo ɛsiane sɛ wɔn bɔne ɔmo ayɛ no ɛnhyɛ dan nyɛ adeɛ a ɛnyɛ nsunsuanso bɔne biara ɛwɔ ɛyɛ abatoɔ no so ɛno no ɛna ɛyɛ ɔnoabo okobɔyi wɔno nso ɛbaayɛ na wɔde ne nsɛm de to da kyɛ mu sɛ kookaa tɛtɛba ɛne afei nso tɛtɛba kɔkɔba ne tɛtɛba ɔmo nyinaa sɛbe kɔbɔfoɔ ma nti no abatoɔ yi a yɛatu yi ɛwɔ mu sɛ MPP mmarahyɛbadwa fie no ɔmo kuta aba no 88 ɔmo nya baako yi ka ho a ɛnyɛ adeɛ ɛbɛhyɛ ma ɛnyɛ adeɛ nso ɛbɛtɔ tim ɛmfa mfasodie bi amfa ma mɛka ɔmo ma dodoɔ a ɔmo hia ɛwɔ mmarahyɛbadwa fie hɔ ɛno nti ɔmo deɛ ɔmo bɛsrɛ ɔmo akyitaafoɔ sɛ obiara mpu mmra nkɔnkɔtɔ aba no na ebiem ɔmo ana ɔmo kaa sɛ na nka yɛ maame akua efiri yie ɛnyɛ adeɛ a ɔmo bɛtumi asan ti ama n'atan so akɔ biom nanso ɔmo kyerɛ sɛ wowɔ kurom anaa wowɔ ɔman mu na sɛ ebi a yɛhyɛ ɔman no adeɛ obi na wɔka sɛ wodeɛ womfa ho nti womfa ho nkɔnkuhyɛ mu a ɛbɛha adwene ɛno ne adeɛ ɔmo da dwene ho ana ɛma ɛnam so a ɛnɛ meka sɛ yi wɔn nyinaa ɛsan so ɛhwɛ yɛ a ɛneɛ ɔmo ɛma bibi a ɛtumi ɛkɔkɔ kitɔ n'akwa mu wano na yɛbɛhwɛ anɔpa no ɛberɛ a yɛwura Honorable Okobɔyi kasa wieɛ no ɛna ɛyɛ aban na mutini a ɔno ɛna ɔwɔ ɛyɛ Janwet Honorable Sowa wɔn nso ɛde to da kyɛ mu sɛ n'ani agye paa sɛ ne nua Okobɔyi ne nsɛm bi a waka no ɛnya asɛm a ɛde oyɛ ne bia bɛba na ɔmo nyinaa adwene ho no sɛ ne na ɛyɛ MPP a ɔkyena bɛtena yɛ NDC sɛ ne yɛ NDC a ɔkyena ebɛtena yɛ MPP na ɛnum na akyɛ sɛ mmeranteɛ no bi nso ebupɛn na kyɛ sɛ ne yɛ hɔ no ɛbɛhyɛ mmeranteɛ ne mmabaawa no bi tutu pa na ɔmo yɛ ɔmo adwene sɛ ɛnyɛ adeɛ mpo kora abatoɔ no ɔmo bɛkɔ akɔtɔm ɛberɛ a nsɛnkaeɛ no ɛbaayɛ no ɛhyɛ ɔmo nkuran ɛma wɔn nyinaa nso etumi ɛbɔ owura mu ɛkɔkɔto wɔn aba ne nsa ka ɛyɛ Ganwest aban na musini Honorable John Desmond ni Sowa ɛwɔ nkyɛn wɔ ha si a yɛne ne nkɔmɔ Honorable Mo ɛne adwuma wɔbɔ adwuma fita na ɔba ne bɛpie mu ano sɛ Sompa kaseɛ yɛsi Mo ɛne adwuma
yɛsɛ da ase yɛsɛ adwuma no nti ɛna yɛyɛ
Mo observation so far ɛtesɛn ɛwɔ ha
so far no as a rerun no we are not expecting to see number of people as general elections. From the beginning, it was picking up slowly, but now, I think a lot of them have come. And I'm going to say, we are more observing, maybe 3 onwards, the number will be more than what we've seen so far. But considering the number of people who voted the previous elections, I think we are okay over here.
Okay, you see, Honorable Yenshe, I am the one China does the Kramami. Now, I said this to Yenshe, what bet you more a yahan with the Pinchem be man, whom so Moshe Ebois and Mansubi by a dinner copper by.
I assume Jinko and a younger senior women. The regional minister, Honorable Linda Okru, any NC Minano, they started a campaign since Monday. We are relentlessly in our efforts at all. And the friends who are by and NDC, we stand for peace, we respect the rule of law. And the Basabasa, and Yadia, Edeba, and our Mampany, John Dramani Mamma, so yes, we gain it. Into Yabia, Pepe. Obiba no koto aba okoto din no ko ye de ohamba ayegina we are prepared for anything so omo no mo de body a ye de be hia o but so far as any say it's our civic responsibility say the better about BIA. That is what we stand for. So far, so good. Considering the security service and the police force, if you are costly, I think it's been brilliant over here. DVL so far so good.
Okay. And the no. Yanshe, Mobaya, Mubabe, near Koso, a hand say, polling stations, A2, Jedu, and a face in the DDL, Hanum, a say. Maybe a new Nano, a idea. But candidate, I'm a postino. What in a doom so far, so good. How will you rate like mobile assessment is saying, say, about 20 in our corner, yet, Nanya Makoma Penamonsanka?
A rabbiner. Meneno bon komo off camera na say shisha or woman ablikuma no ni ese odi abay ese odi kunim rabna kita she ma youth no any man no person musi adwuma any member na mo person man member person ko school scholarship additional packages. You might be brave, no person. Boy, this is off camera. And I was share Nipa or no, what's on her actually out into Kuntukunino. The first summary, a 1 year, say, Ablikumanov, bring a representation. Because, say, ye ni papa party, say, a rabna, say, Obeko parliament, no Abako debate, no a treat near Abba Ablikumanov, Omobokechi. Nti misrewa abekwa no fo mranche mbaba wan okra eni man nyina no mo amofie na mufie no mombra na mombeto aba no na monsuma erabna ya santoa abekwa no because ono na adwumpa won no na opese bi koso ba mo me pa cho eye abekwa we mra shebi abana musini ena yene no edi enkomo no gan west mra abana mutini yene no edi enkomo no na mensa kan greater Accra regional women's organizer edema eye NDC kama ete se oma fa ha ba bia mama aprobo wabo bia die ne wahu ni titiru wate se wan kasa wonyanko ba awa kumsin yede ne nsa ke kan kakra wahun foni ni bi otie no so rendia na obeka fa ho
yo me damasi I me say start election see around 7 a.m. bibia kono boko turn out na yellow by so far so good me see sa polling center no and chebia na me see say bibi sa akoso by personally say me wo ko agabeka say yembu no more
ebienti
ni enti abeka say yembu no more ni say all my na basa bia ni sa polling center ho na everything was going smoothly obedu ho no ni obeye enti na di sa de ni baye na adwo ni say ni na embre bia omo wa ban mu a otimi fa etuo o instructing computer mu fa tuo na mu nkunko for just because of power engine o yes ade no ka ta nensu obetumi ya yes ade no ha na yensu no ye de ye tu aba no boko atunje mu because we know we are winning the seat. And see, and pressure about Sabataya Beba, but by no deeper Sabataya by and Nuntina and or more manu response according to Sabatayana or the Bayan. And to me, our advice on people to beat her and beat her more.
Yeah, Pastor. So far, your assessment so far, a rabna upping, and the bet you are Matanso Edina Bay. The winning so far, we call rounds, at the end, when the chance of winning, what they saying?
You, Minia, I'm telling you in confidence. Say with me, our grounds, Titianra, Bessie, and I'm telling you in confidence, we are taking the seat from MPP.
I must answer.
My brother, there's nothing that will change the victory of NDC today.
When you not so anything.
Nothing.
When you not so anything.
Oh, my rubber kettle smopa. My crop market, my rubber. The who catch them in say, yeah, who say NDC are buying our power. NDC, your mama buying. Yeah, who say in share na or yeno, ever buying. Yeah, ma, ben ye jumaye. Sebio, yamu be a before. Na dollar. So and that dollar back from Amaye. Near my tonu, Yatiwati, Sika said na ye did Dijano, Yakwaka, Etunia and magic, Emaye.
Enumunti, Yakaka and my boy, no one go to Obama NDC. Or more said you particularly, I want to about sentence I asked Latino, and to know, Migidia actually said, near Matthew of Uncle Fokan, and the man couldn't give an idea, and nothing is changing this victory. Irabra Obi will be declared the MP led public no, and then,
yeah, that's it. Amen. Enti Ablekumano, Greater Accra Women's Organizer, Edman NDC, Ena Yenino Ekata Enuna. Zongo calls for Greater Accra region, so I will maintain what we say. Honorable Udina, Trayan, a proponent of Mapopia FM. Saying a Hunwa.
Within the style of Uruya, Greater Accra region, so called NDC. Mr. Agro, so I'm a woman organized the kind. Yes, I'm Shama allow. Because Matilda Wabisan, why? Quite blessed with my upper. Share so far so good. A Bambia Newer, since Pop Republic. Bambia Newer, within 6 months, Oye Jim, I'm a galaxy, and this Abai. And see, the person which say, I buy you buy you $1 about from the day about from Ablekumano MP almost at vote MP since 1996. Development be annual. So this election is about you either vote for complaint or you vote for development. What I mean is that who votes for MP is about complaint. Okay. Because our parliament, our complaints are when you but Ubotuma Raba Obina, you are voting for development.
Yeah, that's it. NDC for Nakasa, Mimura a year MPP for campaign. So now, me say you bet me any a year MPP for any so Eddie in Como. I had me say, I made me director of any Yamako about SOMPA 106.5 so. And this Monko only be a kasa. So far, so good. Use observation. MPP at the same.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. NDC will say so far so good. But when you look at the grounds, they are really intimidating us with power. Hello, they are really intimidating us with power. We can see showmanship of power. I mean, we can witness what is going on. But we hope the people of Ablekuma will speak. And I know that they appear free emerge as the winner. Yes. I know we are winning. It's not by mine.
SOMPA
the Honorable Solomon Putin, the former MC for Lada de Protocol.
Okay, Honorable Yanshe constituency and the comment is attention about your home for the now, we ban about the Chumko, we ban about the Simco. So far, Honorable said, don't get here and say on to the Chumko, Wahan we say. And you will be Bremo after my vote of this particular police station.
No, you can see what they are doing. Their boys, the police, everybody is throwing their life because they are in power. So, I mean, we are seeing what the law will do. We are also on the ground rallying the people to come and vote. And then we know at the end of the day, the people will speak. We know if we won the election. But they are just trying to use power to take it from us. But we know at the end of the day, the people of Ablekuma will speak. And Ekwefri is going to emerge as the winner. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Honorable. The Honorable Nianeno Kata, Yansho more Matua Benny, so almost all my gain check a crack, FA a year about one and so on. Open year more about SOMPA 106.5 so, from two breakers, so far, what about Utu, Diana overcome at the upper about you.
Yo, Medawasipa, about to Yena, some Junior Sucher. Makwato ya tunu bako nka be kuma no fudan ke mpe basabasa bia wa ba ne ma bia e kokon so odoko ne agade na emwa district no yenya sumje ne hwehwe de obe wini bia yenya ye Ghana for ye for sumje ne nto aba no de wina se no ye fa wina ma no nyenya anu ne ani popo no an kon fa so bia me da waso
mo inti minia be ma ba ko na ye ne no akata ye hwehwe se benya emma ni bi na ye ne emma ni bi so eni komoti awa me hu se mo hwe eye Moamo nipa yedi ensa keka ni die na obeka se waboto kakra
botu de ye be botu because this say who is say government in power the police for jina ho kom nkagu omo ho omo tumi nya hwe matimamufo no sese na ye bu ni padasani a police jina ho police jina ho soldier jina ho obian tumi ni action bi sese ye bu ni nua ye ku ni nua nti onko save ni dia na that means Ghana ye nya save bi Abegma no bi nya save MPP for ye nya save ye kosro ba form omo de nkofo ba buru ye
Rabina any honorable FEA. So far, so one of us all the abanamana.
Nyago any I was electoral area there. Anga your hospital Wahama, I mean, or Yama Yen. This is a hospital in Siwa, a basic years. I am Wayen. A safe performance. I think I hear idea no. A hospital in the Siwa. Ye here san ka be bo community no because you see obi ba yare anaju a this okokwan ho no akofa ka hu obi nyim this is etinda ma me na dwen ode dwen yen electoral area ne ho na nka be bo yen eti ye see ye here no a enye ne bone kwan so although ye were friends MPP MPs wo a omo de ye campaign say omo ban na work eti because
live on TV right now at the St. Peter Society.
Ye can say na je nka MPP was na nka hu ye MPP for MPP be ba
and they have marched towards
but this omo na ye was na go for parliament dia I was say
unbelievable
parliament man ye
okay me that say nti MPP camp so na me bo right no papa we dey sima ba ku bi edan a wokata e dey fa ho a eye clinic no anopa no emnante ni bi e protest here na omo chere enya de a omo beko na omo papoto eye aba na ni nyina mu no eye Janwes aban na mutini no ene wo mo eba be kataye e ma omo ye se ombehwe na fe omo nyina akọ na omo papoto aba na menya eye minian mu bi wa hanu sei eden omo chere se do omo na omo dan no ho watchman e na omo bo eden ho ban anopa omo bo ho ban wia se bo bi metokoko bi emfa ma omo nnom na obehwe mranti a omo titu omo so na omo nya dwumadia all before say eye self care clinic ba ko esi eye a wo hia no se bebo amafo yaka ni nyina e de atode enunti muma ya ni ebinum enim komotiawa opani mu akwa baba sompa 106.5 so wada roma die na wo beka e ga fa eden ye ne mu anu masanda no ho watchman e wo hu
David ya si achepa ya na ye watch bibia ya na chozi wanu mu yenya ka mu wie ma ye kapo basi enkofiega ye se mari ka ka ye bo pa se ye madam beba eye number 2 obeba no be ya ma ye kama na ye so na o se egwa ye pa because ye o se ni pa nya ye pa
mo bini ade na so be kan dia kan
me ye ta me kina tante ye me ka pa on ka ka ni se de me nua ne kan no kura no oka ba nyama bi ti se eye federal road clear wo ye man mu no eye federal road we Adama me constituency and say ni bi muma ye bi afi so street light mantem mu na bi mi o muma ye bi afi so inso to a higher computer watali computer ya wa say senka inso ato no aba ha nkatale obeko na adane pink sacho nyama pi high ba yentimi nya na aso moboni na
makoto aba
yakoto ya ba bene de minya number 1 and number 2 de beba bo ayen no on ye hwe no ntimi se ewia bra na wo ba da bo ayen afi ye wo so na wo ba da bo ayen me mo no ba na be di ehwa ma start na e wo na nya me ma me ana papa bi dia ntimi so me te wa bo ma go di papa di enti ye bre no aye bre enti papa no kwatem ni ekoso ewo eye ablikmanot awo shi DBL na afensu jedu electoral area womo agenkyere ede fa ho ebi na mede atujan tie ya sekretary na electoral commission womo so womo ede womo shen ababedu eye adu se ya womo ba behwe atoto aboa amadi bia etimi akoso we re inside intino se otimi pieba na ebia epre wo mu a nyumre
anase bia ewi abremu
Opo jina so wabo adwuma papa enye easy na basabasa ya esi ye wabra ye ma me meives ha wakumsin ebepie wo hono mantokwa no esi ya no wo musunsum no yenya no entie se maame no wo mu atiatia ne so ama wo mu apɛ baabi di no afa ye se ye di na kopie mu kura wo ayasabia na ebinum ka se maame no wa collapse me pa cho what hu bibi na no kura wo mu anything
Medas ni kani MPP mpenifo ni bi ekasaye omo di tuda ekire mu se omo mpeso ombe kasa e dia fan na omo kota kutina ehyo mutirim ebio ade kokko abebo mu eye breach kese fa abebo eye MPP amanyuko nu nti ene na se omo kasa no wo mu se omo di abatu echi de na so omo akoma wo omo de hye na omo ahwe no ewo eye akotia no eno so yade bi ababe ha party ni pa nti no nanka yenimu se ye be hwe nka ye be hu ebia general secretary of the party to say ne Johnson Sedun Keto na chairman edema NDC aba no na montinswe omo no ye nhede hu wo musa wo etitrufo ni mpanifo a yenim se anka MPP mu no omo nyina betime di omo no nya beta echi no yenya hu bi sa to say ni NDC be bia obefe bia no omo chitafo ene eye omo mani party mu mpanifo toto wuro piti national ekopem eye constituency no omo nyina eto omo agum a omo boa no mi gidi se MPP fo die mu die e wo fem obia omo mpese omo bekasa e dia fa eye ye maame eye hawa kuntin ituotu okokoto to ye so ebro a ye kokko bu ni e menam so e di eye wenmu ni nyina e dia ba nti no so far ye aye ko e die na yo inti eye erabna ena waba be kan yin wa ha no mi se we bi anka tiawa ye hwe na anka ye ne no eni nkomo kakra se
Opon kasa ene ne ni nkomo enti
Mommy, thank you. Yeah, mommy, for now, need ye wants me and Kata.
Okay.
And your bed canning United States Empire na or daytime a year about 20 a billion and ye a day and idea.
Okay. Monia Jumawai, Yabasa Babim, na Yabafa report wa akane de free ho nemum sa brain said na make us and any pabi esusu se vote buying bia koso asikache bi akoso no manfo bia no omobo enyo de na ekono eso no abusuafo ye ni bi edi nkomo na wo mu kire mu kakra e kire yin
Mr. Ghana government say obi aye there obi empompa because abirikuma no no ade a nkan for person mo ye no enye sesi aye de na obi vote we e na ordinary e na mayor odi 100 be man ade mi we na me kan sesi a ade mi hu ye e na me kan sesi a ntini ade mi kwa me bu for me vote bi
was 100 Ghana ote se na abamu ano a odi so no wo ka no na sa 100 cedis no so bo a yate no wo mu kyeremu se wo mu susu se efri NDC amanyokuo no parliamentary candidate Rabna Obene ho na eba na enya asem kuma enti vote buy ne de enye de di kan nie ase Ghana ha na edru abato a na sika cha mamu na kyesa aba no ya nto ewo krom ha enti ablekumade eno no na yeto so ede amamo no obrempon beba mu kakra
ma me bra ha sa vote buy Greater Accra Regional Minister
okay
ma Melinda Okulu
okay
ono so akasa de afa na wo kire se nya no kore se no mo se NDC for na
chiska
o de yenti ma me mra sia
and they have to come and vote. Such people come. You have to give them TNT to go and vote. I don't think it's a vote. So if you think it's a vote by you to go and buy the vote, it's as simple as that. If someone is loyal, the person will vote for you. With or without money, the person should be able to vote for you. So I don't think it's going to giving the person TNT. But this morning, I have to call a couple of people. I mean, I was at Mass TV the other day. I gave my numbers out. And people are in Kumasi, others Takwa, and others were in Institute. So I told them when they come, they should call me so that I'll give them their TNT. And I don't think this is good value.
abusia we ye ma Melendo Oklu ono Greater Accra Regional Minister and what I say ni amanfo keka no nya no kore intimote a muhunu se ebosire muka wo mo kshada tutu abosia de egu amanfo garim inti nya no kore na waten so yade kan bo kase adwo aka bi mesuma ka bi reporters ya ba de bia beto videos no so na etwagu Facebook SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra ni nyina ye maame Mavis Hawakumsin ne nkomo no na wano akasa to no mutu.
I mean, the other places have been very peaceful. I don't know why here they want to do intimidation. The people are ready to come and vote for a PFU. You are intimidating them. You are sharing money and still intimidating. What's your problem? Why are they also here? You cannot be intimidated. The police is there. We've reported to them. We've told them. They have seen all that is going on. They think because they are in power. Yes, we are ready. We are in opposition. We are ready to face them.
We are ready to face them. No achi ansa na ntokwa ni besie no. Enti we ye bra Mami Mavis Hawakumsin wonen santrefo bo nkomo no o chese MPP fu ewo abato ampesu ya no so no ampesu o mpie ebeto abanso ndisi fo no intimidate wo wo mo tete wo ampesu mbeba abeto na yese kakra no anu akoto 2024 ma NDC no wono mo mpie meto na MPP fu ndie mo meto ne akasa MPP fu na lusu intimidation e koso no kasa fa ho no kan say they are ready to face them. After we are ready to face them, no.
Enna basabasa ye no see. Eya semu.
Ti ani we ni nye wo mo bu no na chi. We ye before wo mo.
Ebi se we no kura na hye wo mo bufu
bia.
Eh. Na yeda so won sam no emu se de na ye di kan bo mamane se Ghana prosi adwumaku no wo ma chi nipa binum e wo honom na se bambofo ko ya no wo mo hyehyɛ prosifo atade ya na wo mo hye se wo mo bebo ban wo empotem ho no na ye kire mu se emrantie bi nso abepie mu wo honom ya wo mo no wo mo a ye ntimi hu se wo mo ye police fu se wo mo nye police fu wo mo hyehyɛ entade brown te se kaki no na wo mo bedru honom no na bambofo no a wo mo hye official uniforms no bi se wo mo se na mo no mo firi hi na mo ba hwan na so ma mo ye bambofo anasa sen na wo mo ekire mu se wo mo ntimi nyi wo ma no wo mo a wo ma ntimi anka an wo mo so a wo ma ntimi anka da bi entine esese yesesa wo mo egu aprosifo no pick up ehyen no mu ne ye de wo mo ekọ asreye ho se de be ya nhwehwemu ebetimi akoso na wabra na ye kire wo mo no na mensini krache panyina wo Gan West ononyamfo John Desmond ni so wa 9 na wogina hobi wakati sudua se ye no kore se ya kire nkrofo bi na wo mo nhye de nhunu wo mo nipa ban a na wo mo eye.
So far so good. I think that as typical of every by-election, it dwindles like slowly. It takes off and then goes down. So we are anticipating that getting to midday, people will be coming and attendance will increase. I think they have intel and they are acting on it. Those that they picked, I cannot tell which divide they belong to. However, they are doing their work. We didn't interfere. We allowed them to carry on with their duties as it is suspected. And at the end of the day, we expect the right thing to be done. What I heard one officer saying is like they had intelligence that they are not police officers and therefore they are picking them up for questioning.
We Gan West MC ononyamfo John Desmond ni so wa 9 na wote se wo kasa no
Ablekumanov mrashe we kura de abankra chepani ya wo ho Musa Adamu Kalamu wono so akasa de afa abatoɔ no se ne niam ekɔ no wono so de nsam kakra to dia sei.
Oh, you see, these are posters that was not done today. It has been there for over a week. So what is normally done when it is getting to elections, the posters are brought down, but these are not something that were not done yesterday or today. You could see NDC posters, you could see so it is not only peculiar to NDC. Maybe one party's own may outnumber the other, but all political parties have their posters. It is normal. All political parties post their posters for campaigning. So if on the day of elections they are still there, why do you go complaining? I think it's one of their tactics. This is the same people who said they will not take part in the election, but you are seeing them taking part. So how will you trust MPP? They are just giving excuses. They are seeing the signs. They are very clear. They are losing all the 19 polling stations. I can assure you on that.
Abusia we ya banka chipeni wa Ablekumanov onimnyamfo Adamu Musa Kalamu na we no ye sɛ wɔn mo posters a wɔn waawae ɛde afiri hɔ ɛnɛ yi ɛna na MPP foɔ ne complain sɛ wɔn waawae MPP foɔ posters ɛno nso da bi ɛnso election day kura yɛnyɛ campaign ɛna baabi a yɛto aba na sɛ posters wɔ hɔ a ɛwɔ sɛ wɔn waawae ne nyinaa afiri hɔ ɛno na wɔkyerɛ sɛ wɔn nyinaa na ayɛ sɛ nea pɛtɛ biribiri na abɔ wɔn ɛna wɔn de kasakasa saa nti Ghana foɔ mo te a mo nyim adwene mfiri so hyɛn nso sɛ ɛyɛ dumienu kaseɛ nea secure sanitary pad na dawroma wasɔ yasene ɛma yɛde ɛma wɔ no ɛno ɛna ugusu a wotie no na hyɛn nso ma me secure sanitary pad no sɛ wunya bi ntɔyɛ a mepacho ne ɛwɔ mu nie ɔbaa ya wɔnyi wadu nyi ntasoɔ na nyame adom wabu nsa sɛ wampɛ secure sanitary pad amfa no anya ohu yi a ya na asɛm ɛwɔ akyire asɛm a wɔkyire ne sɛ bi ɔhɔ abonso ɔnam na sister ase wɔkyi nyɛ so wɔkyi nyɛ sɛ bi a bibi na ɛwɔ wɔkyi a wɔkɔ prɛprɛ na emom emogyaso fi no a ɛba no ɛna ama wɔkyi asɛ saa no nti na manfoɔ da bi a wɔkɔ anu wani wɔ wɔkyi nti obi ɔhɔ obu ne nsa a wɔntan nkɔ adwuma wɔntan nkɔ kurom wɔntan mpie nanso na ɛnyɛ sɛ ɔmfa pad bi onyusu yo uyusu bi paa nanso wɔanyusu secure sanitary pad ntia afei pɛ kɔten no ɛhyɛ mfimfini hɔ no ɛno na ɛnonom mogyaso fi no a ɛba ne nyinaa ɛna minti no ɛde afa mfimfini no aka ho no saa minti no ɛno na ɛbɔ ɔmaayɛ num no bɔ hɔ sɛ eku nti bi wɔ hɔ a na ne maayɛ num no kra no ayɛ something which is there kakra we no san kosiesie no enti unya mfaso wɔ ho double ɛna we no ɛmpepe mfa ho ɛfa mfimfini kama paa ɛnonom ne nyinaa kama na hɔ ayɛ sɛ wese baabi a ɛtɔn pad ahodoɔ ne saa ne ma nyinaa bi no wobɛnya bi atɔ mo asante mantam no fo ne temu mama excellent cosmetics ɔwɔ adum pz ɛna afei ɔsan wɔ baako wɔ kwada so estate taxi station hɔ na old asempa pharmacy lane mu hɔ no gye number si 0243 862 158 0243 862 158 na afei one no abɔ nkɔmmɔ na bibia nso atumi ayɛ fine paa afei hyɛ ne nso ma me sɛ wankasa mu a wɔwɔ hɔ yi na hagye aba hagye ade aduane aba da bia nso hagye wɔ hɔ na nso si wontimi nidi I mean how there be time asɛm na making bre time wusi wontimi nidi a aduane si hɔ yi sister bra o yɛ de o kaka sɛ aduanam o mepa kyɛw wohia time herbal mixture there be time herbal mixture ɛno na wohia esansa no wanum ato a wontimi nidi no wosiesie wanum hɔ bi o ha ne de ne yɛ malaria na akye no nti ama nanum ato mepa kyɛw malaria yade ketewa ma ne haw wohia time herbal mixture ɛna betimi aboa wo afei for general well-being no wohia time HH mixture ɛna the capsules ɛno na sɛ obi wɔ hɔ a ne dwonso no mu ayɛ de na ma no wɔ dwonso a wɔbɛbɔ bra saa asɛ sekan atwa no asɛ kasaya wɔ no wohia time HH mixture ɛna the capsules ne bi wo immune system ayɛ weak asogyafoɔ na ɛwɔ nipadua no na kuti anyarewa no wɔn na ayɛ weak ɛno nti yadeɛ bie ekowu mu a gye sɛ bɛkra wa ayɛ ekowu ankra daefoɔ wohia time HH heba time HH mixture ɛne ne capsules no ɛne betimi adi aba we oba ne bɛma obi atimi nom hyɛ ne nso bi wɔ hɔ a bɛma titiriw wayɛ mmerɛ wɔ mpam wohia time HH mixture ɛne ne capsules kopɛ bi tɔ na di mi adanse wate baabi a ɛtɔ nupa na ahodoɔ ne nyinaa no herbal shop pharmacy over the counter baabi a drug store wobɛnya bi ato gye number si 0244 417 669 0244 417 669 bi a woduru hɔ na so nipa na ɔtɔn no ɔso ni bi a na waka kyerɛ sɛ wɔnye numbers yi na wɔno nso ɛnkɔ na wɔnkɔ pɛ bi ɛntɔ na ɔntɔn na bibia nyɛ fine onum wie sɛ kim wɔ hɔ na wokɔ hagea wɔnum wate hintu bɛdidi hagea special local foods na dawromenti na yɛ bɛdidi na fufuo paa ɛbɔ sɛ kotodwe da nkyɛn na akokɔ na mi bɔ ha na nantwi na mi si ha na wanya salmon fresh na baako de ato nkyɛn ha na beef da soro hɔ a wate okakaduro de ato nkyɛn noa no hagea special local foods on said aduane ameka ye nyina ye local papa we nye spices a boda no anya papa ne bi no de ye ne de no de e kan wano atim say yes we ye papa hagea special local foods e ho na so do ani kire na akɔpa aduane papa die tena se na menka hagea ho asɛm nkyerɛ wo pa akonya na fa ato si so na meka hagea special local foods e na akyerɛ wo se wo pɛ banku ene tilapia banku ne nkruma toza afi wa che jollof fried rice kokonte apapransa ena bia mpo a potompoto ni nyina ubenya biato ewo hajia special local foods wo hacho atomic kwan so wo no transition chen ho do obutuo gi number si baabi a wo frɛ no ma delivery man nya adwuma nya nne wo de bebre wo de ha ho ntu why ma ne mbere osisi a 0246 359921 0246 359921 and 0535 484 392 na fe one hajia abo enkomo wo wie ne sei no a na se wo tena se na wo bre wo haw pa obekwa aya sabia obekọ no se wuduru ho na yakọ hwehwem ni aka cho se o entini bia wo to ase ede baba fa osire mu kosi na akokom ho ne ho atechuma ka cho mse yo wate wo da wo mase pa emo hweyio na asemi ya na hame obi ho a wa hu se ampa ho na problem ne wo ba oni anu yie me pa cho ni anu yie ne da no 21st clinic enu ntimidia nka mese wo kase yese saa pain ya wo famu emfa nkom obi nkogene fa kwa 21st clinic na wona nhwehwe hunu baabi a wo pain no firi ba ya ebeka ntini no na fe wo mpa no anu yie mfa ma wo enko baabi mo nkogene wo ya de no enkogene na wa hwe yie wo mbebubu wagu akonwam no na mempese beba so no enu nti 21st clinic ho na me kanfo de ama wo ho no yade bi ayesa nanso ne wiase nyina di ni yen eye siatica yade no eye 21st clinic ho en ye hwehwem ho en ye pa ba ahwe no ho ne hunu ba bi efiri ba ye ne de dro de aka no ekwa emabio ye nkura bata ne burakati ahunwi se bebre e wo my Ghana mu nti ju number si 0540311311 0540311311 na frɛ wunya frɛ pɛ baabi a wo bia wo kyerɛ ne a ye be kyerɛ nkura bata no ne ye ben wo na won so do ani akyim nemom phone no a wo de be frɛ no ho ne asɛm yo wo bi kita phone bi wo de abombelet na abom abombelet ye bom no ne de enim abombelet ye bom no nya asɛm kuma won so wo de yakwa wo no bo wan no na de na ebo hash wan kita phone papa phone na me di nukuredie onuado eni nyamesuro be kanfo de ama wo no eye Techno Spark 40 series yakoya nimpa Techno Spark 40 series na se wo upgrade wo hu dru sa level ni wi a wo be hunu sampa se obrempon kan na se sompa nso asom yen papa se wunya Techno Spark 4 series ni bia e hoda bon se sa brabo no kra emre sa o we no it utimi de hye o person no oho person na ma titiri kra ne ma ne mema ne de person no akitekita yensem se nketo no utimi de hye ho emfiri nto eye slim kama ene sanso ye stylish tio eye stylish ya ba bia utimi de flex utimi de judin na se wuyi Techno Spark 40 series yi na udi twa video and now the twa pictures udru ye Facebook yi so asompa 106.5 FM akra videos a hu nyina enye camera kese bia na edi twa ayo eye Techno Spark 40 series ene edi atwa so hu ne clear correct one pa ni megapixel no ekosoro kwananim ene sanso kita AI technology papa oh ye na we kura men kan sen na what odi bowura ba bia phone shop bia akwa so pe Techno Spark 40 series ni bia to eno ano no why G number si 0303 980205 0303 980205 na onso frɛ baabi a wɔ no yɛnkyerɛ obi we no ɛhwe hɔ ano amoade so na de kɔ baabi anapa Instagram ɛna afei TikTok ni nyina obetimi ahwɛ akyira kwan Techno Mobile Ghana ɛna afei Techno GH ni nyina ahwɛ akyira kwan a onsa bɛka yɛn ma yɛntwɛ ho simamra yɛ ba afei yɛ bewura makɔhwɛ na ano ne yɛsi ablekuma no hɔ nankasa no wɔn to aba no ɛyɛ na ɛkɔsɛn yɛbɛkɔ yɛkyi ne akɔ akusua de ɛde afiri hɔ
Kweko, minim so why she. Me cry man nani. Now so ebony show one.
Malihonsapelo. Ebony condoms comes in different flavors and available in all pharmacies, chemical shops, over-the-counter shops, and pubs. For bulk purchases, contact 055-230-0075. Ebony condoms, Ghana's most pleasurable condoms. Make it worth it.
We get peppermint, strawberry, vanilla, chocolate. We get peppermint, strawberry, vanilla, chocolate. The condom then it's not on, but
Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic. Ghana had the obedient says a prostate. Na baby omutimi screening ema huni etu asia. Na Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic. Anasa a kidney, a liver problem. Wofa baby and ajuju. Na the friend the premature ejaculation wa. Be maybe a woni odofo akwakosia. Asa wo di ne ho agro. Asa wo tonte. Ene ebra Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic. Na ye moa. Emane mema mo pa wo. Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic. Wa mo dem fua. Yare bia infections bi na wo ho. Anasa bia wo hwe wofa baby na ajuju kidney problem prostate there Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic kuma se ubehu Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic ewo konoma bohia na Accra hanso so there wo mu giamu ankasa ewo sprinters the friend share signboard no hudu na ubusasa wo pe Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic obia ebechiro for Endpoint ewo 0244867068 and 0274234321 Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic wo mu dem fo
you can call it Slim Macho. Make you spark anywhere you go. Oh.
Ghana, are you ready to level up the vibe? Introducing the all-new Techno Spark 40 series. The phone that has got more power, more style, and more spark. Sleek and classy. Kaish! Big screen, check. Long battery life, check. Crystal clear AI for your next viral post. Triple check. Super fast processor for all your gaming, streaming, snapping, slaying, and flexing.
You can call it Slim Macho.
The Spark 40 series is built for the bold, the trendy, the Gen Z, and the unstoppable you. Don't forget mommy and daddy you.
Long lasting battery techno is your plug.
Rush now to any techno showroom or authorized dealer nationwide. Whether in the north, south, east, or west, we always have one for you. All at very affordable prices. What are you waiting for? The Techno Spark 40, slimmer, faster, sparks everywhere. You can call us on 0303-980-205 or follow us on social media. Techno, stop at nothing.
Ewia, me pacho bra na me hwa de wo bag.
Bra, aden, ena so biem.
Time eba me hye ya me kan se yi ba kwin. Ani wayi me ensai.
Bra, sanya time eba me hya esia jimi ni fiefo enya de abako ebe so yen.
We de udi se ofa ni nyina.
Time eba me hya me kasa me di wa dance ya heaven ena de me kwa akopie. Enti se malaria we draw ne time eba me hya.
Enye enu ku de na nu moto a wontimi ani die no. Time eba me hya duo no ena ye ma wo. Oba a wo fa afuo de wo ma akoda no fo. Any akwada woni mfie dumienu entimi nim aduro yi bi se obeto aduro yi bi anoma hwe se wako hospital anase lab ame yehu se wo atudie malaria yi bi ansa se obetam eba misha enu dudu etu a fo ani kire KNG Herbal Center ewo emrom Abidjan House ana ba ko so wo atonso wo na ko junction
enu echi obenya bi atowo over the counter medicine sellers any herbal shop dodo na em
0244417669
ayo set time no time time herbal mixture afi malaria fever bi adani ziba ewo munu be tuako
FDA agi ejodi nkra tuyi atu
SOMPA TV Emma Aketuapa.
Nokura Emma Aketuapa. Yebesha comment no ntia ahamo waya de pa. Na yegusu gina Blekumanof hwa adwoyi. Ye hwe free 1992. Abato asase 33 years ni signa party nako. Ewa Blekumanof. Na yebesi na fe yaje ahome beye se simaka kra. Na fe ye buy de ne aka na ba beto aso sa pepepe na 1992 nipa wono NDC enya 1992 abano wo mu di so as parliamentary candidate ono ko ye ewo NDC dimu na ye Adam Bako Norte yeboa
okay
ena wodi nkonim efiri ho 1996 edibesi 2020 NDC in seat
bi
na 92 no secret eba 92 no MPP for a boycott.
Okay.
One boycott 92 election.
NDC for ni win
because no to say irregularities being in my name be brave. 96 and Urunya for Kwamina Battles. One no a call ye ewo MPP dimu.
I don't want to shell battles. Ah yeah.
Enti make a cadaba. Ne bano no. Enti Kwamina Battles we need 96. Or we need 2000. SN we need 2004 3 consecutive times. And we need 4 NPP.
Okay.
And 2008 Justice Joe Apia and so ever saw baton 2008 2012 and also MPP and na nekwe free year and ne ojina contest no mu no 2016 obeje baton
okay
and on also the run year ko see 2020 and Kwamina Battles bachelor battles
ebe fine
ebeje ye omo call primaries no akwa free ye lusu ye
okay
and bachelor battles ebeje baton na ono je baton ni wie ye no mu no and akwa free ye kura benya ambassadorial appointment I think say India ho baby
okay
ekobaye and no sign ba primaries 2024 primaries no mu no obaye
and no sign
enti since 1992 edebesi 2020 we fancy 2024 dey na fancy afi na ye gusu aye enwie nti ye mfa 2024 dey nka ho nti free 1992 ebesi 2020 no NDC a winning seat no just once
eno kra no
because MPP boycotted eno ntia nti say MPP forecast it has been almost strongholds one of our biggest and as strongest holds
exactly
because so shepa contester Kwamina Battles they been 96 2000 2004 96 no na presidential candidate ni Adwoa and 2000 Kufuor beje and no dey ewini ye 2004 Kufuor de toaso and 2008 mampani Kufuor do that time no ye candidate Kufuor do beje ye na anko yi still 2008 no Kwamina Battles wini ye ewo ho na me person me share 1996 no even MPP for a boycott ye kra no me person me ma rundown bi kakra wa ha sei ma me share 2000 and 96 no 96 na MPP for edu am share mu no say na election no omu wie ye netie MPP sabre no Kwamina Battles enya 35,747
okay
na represent 61.1% into automatically unya tell say ya okokra and NDC Denanyo Ben Mensa ono nso nya 20,214
just over 15,000 difference
okokra non ne dey represent 34.5%. Na nanyo ono nko a CPP nso gina mu bi Nathaniel Adu ono na ye candidate okọ 96 onya 2,559 na represent 4.4%. Na no ne sene ekọ ye in 1996 ena CPP for kra nso gina mu 96 no kakra wamo nso kakra wamo di free ho baaye no CPP nipa ogina mu ye Benjamin Agbo onya 769 na ye 0.9% ena PNC yes PNC nso
eno no ye 2000
okay mamenko 2000 no em say print out no na 2004 the na American and na be shame wa anti 2000 bra from 96 at the buy na Kwamina Battles winning or signed by 2000 no NPP enya me pa cho figures no in 96 figure no na ye 35,747 representing 61.1% and na 2000 vote ni so te
okay
eba 34,508 and so percentage wise na ye 69.2%.
difference na ekitwe
even though turnout na ye low eso take akra but the percentage no mumu issue too because ye hwe nipa dodo a ebeto aba no ene womo a ama dodo na beto ye nimu percentage eno dinyae ena NDC at that time 2000 no nipa ojam ye Albert Opoti Botwi onunya 14,000 onse honso so ate 96 na 20,214 ena ha ebeye 14,236 representing 28.6%. Inti percentage wise turnout ni nyina wo so teye whilst NPP appreciate in percentage. NDC in 1996 34.5%, but in 2000 28.6%. Okay. So teye amenko benim na menko 2004 we say NPP ni NDC no na gina mutino yenko yenja o mark no yenko 2004 Kwame Nabatel signed by the winner. Na obenya Shadio obenya 55,000.
That's a lot.
999. Ka one vote make 56,000. And so ne percentage wise a sign drop as compared to 2004. Percentage wise even though numbers ne cost but percentage ne ba form. Percentage ne be 65.4%. 2004 na 69.2%.
Okay.
What is it? And NDC 2004 Ashford Terrier Smith and the page name. And also Opekino from 14,236 in 2004. And in 2000 and 2004 or they call 27,988.
And also calling
him. The percentage, you know. Opekino from 28.6% to 32.7%.
Just improvement
MPP enya numbers ni bi aka ho in 2004 but percentage ni so tie. Ena NDC nya bi ka numbers ni bi ka ho in 2004.
Say the entire percentage ni vary ni ye 10 out.
Mo. Why are there? In 2008 ehona Justice Joe Apia ebeje baton ni free Kwame Nabatel sensem ono so 2004 no omo vote ni 55,999 but Justice Joe Apia buy no obenya 45,630.
Okay.
Percentage ni ba 57.6%. I say esotiba. Ena Ashford Terrier Smith sabre no ne ho abaya amanfo akono wa Blekumanov.
Okay.
Because no wako 2004 ena was wako 2008. Into also ban him from 27,988 no ebedu 30,000.
Okay.
150. Ena the percentage no issue 2 year from 32.7% no eba 38.1%. It means that wakona nim what I say?
Yeah.
Very good. And I heard the no. This has been the voting pattern. And then in 2012, Osai Twa so called him. Benjamin Justice Joe Apia assigned the 2012 na edit Twa so. And now 2016. A free year for NPP. Ni nyina na omo variations ne conform eso tete enye steady even though we win but what mean say enshada nye convincing win as compared to send your picking from 96 at the buy no na eso tete
say we are see inside ni Bible kura se kwase na ensesa na dene enti no se wo honom na wo ye bibi na once semu kakra depending on the yede ma no
exactly
the yede ma no e na betre na mo awusu betu enti no me sure say wo mo so mo hunu say enuma bebre wo ho no mo a enkoye ni ade enti numbers no e kofom no na percentage ni bi nso e kofom
okay
acha say e ho no nkomo no
no okay well enti no enti yan hwe say Okay, only Brasimum. Na yɛnhwɛ adeɛ wɔ ha. Aha. Nti aja mo afi fa person na yɛntoa so wɔ hɔ. Nti that has been the voting pattern and Akuafo yɛbɛso mu in 2016 no. Na omu nim sɛ obetimi atoa so in 2020.
Okay.
But then after omo primaries in 2020 before 2020 election no. Before 2020 election no. Ɛna Sheila Battles and in fact almost internal primaries no what tam na hwe ho say prim that time na me te Ablekumanov constituency no
okay
in 2020 nti me monitor pa hu how in fact na emotwe and na Sheila Battles be so mu no ono so ebe winning year in 2020 but unfortunately 2020 ebe see 2024 mu no na ono nso ase ne ho akoye delegate na hi because ABR expectations be omo meet expectations be na wo say o meet na omo san ye say ne san kofa ye nchiri nti omo san kofa Akuafo ye e de bae and Akuafo ye ba in 2024 no ene ho litigations a yigina mo sisi
okay
omo san ye tie
yeah
nti say MPP for ka say Ablekumanov e your almost strongholder. Of course.
Omo every right from the kasa.
Exactly. Omo dika.
What say Ghana politics no such a kese pa be mo hwe Jenny no kura no. MPP NDC no kura omo start ye no presidential no kura no. So obi wini a obi timi wini hands down. Just say
exactly.
Oye ho hwe kura enye ye wiam kura enye ye. Enti no yade a na da ho ba won say bre kwa anim no. Policies are abide ba attitude a womo ebe exert yekoye campaign a ewode yeka ye wini so a ewode ye enti sesi anso no sabe Ghana for men to se be kura ya dwene mu abi ankasa ya dwene mu abi enti so obi de ade bi hye wafun na kawo a ese hu se da bi bibi wo hodo ma metimi aye ese me ye na kokrometin so the only power Ghana for wo enti se ye to abama na betena so be ye de wo pe a wo so time ni duru ho no ma kokromoti kuro no ano wo de be kire wo say untimi me ye bibia keke enti ye pattern ankasa ne metesa first no ne ye say ukọ voter regional ye NDC for stronghold ene ye kwan bia so bia be so wo betimi awini but enne no kura no fra mantem ho no baabi wo ho no mo a wo ye den se den wo ye den se den MPP fonso wo wo de ewom e na akwa Ashanti region so asede na emire bi atwamu na nka wo mo kra de nka wo mo meho NDC for meho ene nte sa bi
ene after Aswanse
yeah
you could see that papaya
SOMPA FM
emire fi papaya kra ni onu ko be deputy minister man say adansi asokwa KT Hammond hwese ne wo mukukuru ne hwe ho
enti no ensem no akwakọ ye yiti yenhwe se yakọ anim no
entontom January na aba no January mosquito
nene chebe
ne de se we sa chewe say na we na mfre no cowboy no we no mfre no cowboy no abusia joining our Facebook SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra and YouTube no enso SOMPA FM live SOMPA FM live YouTube na fa comment no bra na me be kenkan comment ni bi Facebook ne so sisi na adwo ahwe YouTube wo ma me bia na kakra nso abegu ho a ne nyina wa ha Facebook de ende menya ne nyina wa ha comment pillar 2 o say o di free dome kwabenya constituency I say time as MPP family let's go to vote boom 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 for Nabo Akuafo ne de ode aba no Nana kwa mabwaten e di free Ablekuma Central one also say one of the birthday no ano de free ho ba ne de ode aba Nana Mensa Wilberforce so say hey well from this fight in MPP and NDC 19 polling stations and then hunt kwai oh we no baba ho mo person me fa man for comment re kakra mfo mu ansa na enyi bi mfiri ho ohena na mensa JB we say good afternoon we pray for a peaceful election God bless Mother Ghana amen piaga say Ghana's problem is NDC. So, okay. Pedroa Madina Cruz was doing the listening loud and clear inside Indianapolis, Kumasi Town, so Kesben Junction. Kesben Junction is the main location. Yeah, that's it. Rahim Rankin said, in fact, this police officer must be arrested by this act. I say, oh, how I comes in when I was your family member this time. Okay. Mate, Mate. Yonfa we nisi hwa ansa na ajo ansa na odi YouTube comment ne beba no yanhwe honorable Hawa Kumsin ne the hooliganism asisi akoso wo ho no but then mama nso abanti me mama me akwaba anti akwaba
beme na mejusu na ho ye de em say elections no ana igusu no ye kai tie for say SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra ye behwe na kopim say be declare results ne die Yekramua for God and country for Bombaba Betwaso. Na and watching so hot bite. Yatwaso free wa Yabetinamua copim some be declare results. And you pay up to date information. Efa Ablekuma North Abatwa Ekoswanwa. Now tuning into SOMPA 106.5 FM. So we pay videos in bin swasha braille page, Facebook, and also YouTube. Ubenya wo SOMPA FM live na Facebook near SOMPA 106.5 FM video nsema watete afa ho enkomo manfo edi ni nyina no ye bie kwan edi ama ho se obeba ho nso na se wo comment bi nso a obetimi edi afa ho na ya kenkan edi ama ho e wo SOMPA 106.5 FM eno ne hot issue kese a eda epaso na obrempong se wo hwe ne ekoso wo Ablekuma North na asefem pa se only 19 polling stations aye kwakoto aba na nipa bitimi gada na omutimi chifa police force na omaye powerless na omutimi nya hwe na omutimi abo awuram na omakoye de omope na omutimi adwane na omoko na de ba ko a ehu ni se oti se party ni bi kase yempewe wa ha anase yempewe wa ha Ghana bato a yetu nim se political parties na omugina no obi etimi mi hu fifi kwete wo ho mi hu mpanifo NDC mpanifo wo mi hu MPP mpanifo wo nti edan na obi ba utimi kase yempewo ha
mi hu NDC fo no
mpanifo region aba ebi fi Ashanti region aba yetu abakura se wo kwa omukro moko hwemu ema NDC amanyoko wa Ashanti region omu free nkran
ene koye
eti edan na utimi kokasa de na wo free kaso na waba ahasei eti yebebo now what you say it was planned. Who should say the idea is here? It was planned. And I know when so met me a chair for police for no so. Because there is nothing they can do. The only thing so better to. Amoko to say see and so be harding. Because now who should they see not the only way I bet me aboa money e was say police for no e bra omo pia omo no mo pia omo bobotu. Banko mo botu se see anke beka.
By election.
Because say police for
election.
Say police for esi mo kwan. Police for so mo ma mo nko no motimi atua fa so.
Eko.
No mo ko. Na makoye de mo pese mo yade na mo plan ye se mo be ye na makoye. Eti mo achieve mu e we achieve we sa petty you know emfa so be na o se. Em be na achieve ye. So what I say enti san tit for tat politics no. We are growing. We are growing with the SC Ewa Ablekuma North no, to be honest with you at time. Nani akwati ombere because unim dia kosu you obi afa ne ho adwene
oh yes.
SC a bomb pie say minim the National Peace Council betimi aye. Oh betimi the two main political parties not just because I'm telling you say MPP former NDC form for mu Ewa akwati
after Ayawa so West will gone.
Yeah.
By election.
Very good. There be
Yeti Jamefa Commission Justice Jamefa Commission commission
Emil Short
yes Emil Short Commission mpanifo a omo yebubu omo din nyina omo say omo ye involved in Ayawa so West Wogon by election no mu hooliganism e cause omo nyina ko Emil Short Commission anim
serious enti ye ntimi ankosiaga enti ye nsuahwe
ewi ase ma yes omo vigilante groups omo ngu no na omunko sign peace treaty causing science ade we ne
oh any say ye by election say ma soldier for na eba o Say police for entimi
defense ministry by say omo ma soldier for nko.
But next time the omo soldier for nko. Oh, to be honest, say because 19 police station important and Yamatan say because I believe say another by election because I'm telling you, as I said, both NDC and MPP no obia yana jesu obetua na yonko ka say another by election because I'm telling you enti say obia betua na yonko ka dia ene ebe hia military ni so mo bebam no mo de omo na besi fom e say me ka kire on say friends obrempong the NC wa Blekuma North no say the NDC form fanche MPP form fanche no say yan hwe ya akwatia by elections
asembesi
because omen yi see ye by elections and ye ma ekoso no and obi anso say why a strongholder or the pempim
and ekogie
enti ye be say the akoso wo Ablekuma North only 19 police station it say police for edu abato omo kwantimi nya adwuma
na
police for because ye fa ne say adwoa say nipa be 30 ebo dompem say ye hu say centroni bi ba ye nkobo no ebe na police for timi defend no macho for she moto anu omode na Ablekuma North o she tutro sem bia na ekoso enti ye hia se ye hu se Ghana eba by elections na se NDC ni MPP for timi ni omo hunia edu by election bia we should unleash the military.
Okay
because obia ko gada ne nkrofo ne matchofo se monko na yate se we ba ha monko bono yate se we ba ha monko bono next time also ba baby o stronghold on so ba
say I know the way your test case e dey ama won so be ba ye na adwo kan ya disua ye nsua no ye nhwe time ye nhwe kire pone ye nhwe tiwa techiman nkranza ni ye nhwe ya waso
to be honest with you asem na asefima rehoa say when the video no so a said war I said civil war Ghana I'm telling you
once ba ku na ye ni yi no na it was captured afar.
Yes.
Na fena who dia ye zoom na
me say I said Ghana it was civil war. Dia koso na say Ghana ye nya civil war. Who ko social media so who show who be say na nya Ghana 2024 ye to aba wie ye. Ye na ye who said no ya ye ho even though there were some cases be en sem fata. Eti e ban ne say ye tin say yetimi atra ama police for Ketwa.
Yes.
Only 19 only 19 polling stations.
And yet 19 constituencies.
There be polling stations. Now it me my hooligans.
Oh.
Vigilante boys. It me police for chief so. Bowram. Because na make say it was planned. It was passed. Ya said that garden ni pebi say. When crop for beba no MPP from penny for beba mo. That is the picture here shown on social media. So we show videos like so we show said here obabesia omo se bun wo ho. Mami ha wakum se. Na wo san so share NPP deputy or organizer
no.
Say you papa no ko wanwane nko mekunu. I'm telling you.
Na unim se
ka wanwane
no wa manani anya de anka efom honko wonso de che se wo musum no
na sa papa no sa a deputy organizer of MPP no de omu bu no atiatia no so there was no success say ye de wa hye na bi mu na ya bu obi a meje wo
ma me hwe obi message bi o de
it was so bad.
Ishmael Kwame Opon say NDC can't enter Akwatia show nti ono they say omo fa way as
na me ka say SSA ye bobo ye hu sie pa SSA because say temamufo listen temamufo civilians vigilante boys etimi penetrate through police for bambofo etimi bowra ho na omo koye omo ye no omo dwane o please for omo try so omo be che wo omo say na na video na capture omo nyina ni meya
but I tell you we yanko baby I tell you
na me
this is
attitude towards the esino said you no and na ye me problem kese pa
binom hu se a problem
ura comment ni mu egusa videos na sia
binom hu se we e condemn it binom hu how condemnable it is
who say Kai Sam George yeah into oba na that from no
comparisons
munya hu hwe
I tell you make say Bible verse be say due ni o man a wo mu mpanifo ye nkwada o si due eni o man a
mu mpanifo
ebinum eye nkwada enti se wanya obi o ye panyin o ye macho a o ye nkwada asem nkwada asem ni se wo ye mi bia mi so me ye bi na I don't care say o man na jabetom
emfa me ho we o mu so eye se mpanifo e bia ebeba se no obi a we na commission nipa so mezi ne bandi Ghana ha
SOMPA FM
to be honest with
you na ekasa no a MPP 2024 flag bearer we ko piem wo ho ni nyina no fa komo na ye
ba me de meti o me question is say why na what the audacity so be kan chi obi say untimi ma
who are you
wobra all the political parties leaders both NDC and MPP wo nyina go ground ti wo ne hwan so be ka say oh ye de ye ntimi ma wo ye hwan who are you
asa no mo ya aware of encrophobia wo mo no so wo mo nim wo mo tu wo mo nan si ha asa ya sheda ye di hu nkomo dada
se ko mu de wo mo ba en ko bu wo mo
system fa ese don get video ne to so mame ese don get is on crowds
nti mi busa so na nsenya
but sometimes it's
but to mu no mo ablekuma north
omo nto aba ho yes omo nto aba ho omo ti wo ese don get ya on to aba wa ablekuma north
eti eden na mutumi ko ka che obi se ye hia wa
udi anti na ese don get ya yan ka se won so ye hia because on to aba wa
adie na esem na ye twa to na ye very dangerous so say
bad precedent
esese ye ya hweyi papa man no bambo ene ya sumdue ye besre bambofo no de omo betimi aye beboa because unim obrempon year 2024 election make can sem bi say ebro police fotimi gina wo ye hwahan ema collation centers
amanfo
timi bowura ho na bi ko gina presiding officer se kon ho
declare ye candidate
say police for any security agency entimi anya ho na me Ghana we are trending on a dangerous ground year to about 2024 elections say who share bra ye do time ye collate results na enipa bitimi gada na o ma enter collation center na ya tam presiding officer na ya hange no me de na gina ho na ya sha no say hey declare our candidate so we win and say be buokum eti ne ono pe ne nkwanti
for the fear of the
ya wouldn't say anya ho hwe o
besi de but you see me nia elkoso ablekuma no fi efa bi ane ye me personal observation and opinion isi ka ho
adetia
say
SOMPA FM
efa bi nia mama me kan me say isi ka ho bi no anka it should have been made earlier even in parliament to say this is the plan, not when you have told parliament and the whole of Ghana say nia kani. Then you come back to tell us we are going to run 19 polling stations.
Na kwaku eno krampo achi no. Se wo kan fine e bia at the time no omo no munim ne enti omo ka se ye nya rerun.
Good.
Fine.
O se ye onya rerun.
Se e be ye rerun ne krampo. Da be no omo be declare say rerun ne beba so.
Just last week.
Say, and at least mo de mo be ye 1 or 2 weeks bi kura na mo ma obi ahuru say rerun na ye kono.
This is your preparation.
Mo. Na sad as a putu pradie bia say by force ya nto aba na ene Friday no a bibi besi wo Ghana ha. Asa ya nto aba na bibi besi.
Angle no ne me baby a me hu ade ne free buy.
In a way no. Fine, there's no problem say you be call rerun, but at least mumma mre kakra kwa mbam na tensions no enko form kakra because just, already I'm not for jadada.
It was just a mre before tena hot bite so and I used to be a press conference telling us on preparation towards an election.
Of course.
And the question, to be honest with you, Obrempong, a bad president, a bad image now created now. Obrempong and Ghana for a be rahu. yɛwura ho de akɔ so ɛwɔ just 19 police station yɛtimi akɔto aba even though there were some issues na within the short na sankrofo mu sorry yɛ tutrafo mrantewa basa de mrasho mu nsɛm vigilante groups ɛne na mu bu nkrofo sɛn kyɛsɛ
na uhu sɛ nipa to sɛ plane
nipa dim na fe hey and I think it was some video we have more other videos no
what the free echire ho no
e de be wura be hey hwe
de na unse maame no na sese ne nkrofo no mom twa ne ho hia na omo nso prevent na police for no responsibility say omo no be prevent we mu no na maame no so wo security fo bia na omo so twa ne ho hia abo no ba na sese na ahenti na sese omo nso so eti mama the woman was left alone so at the end omo se nkrofo no ba no omo so ko omo so but there were too many eti by the time we realize na bia fa akire akoma maame no so say I say me jina ho say and na me bambo fo jina me ni na me hu sem krofo bi ba so they left to attack them but that was the job of the security agency it's about that the woman was left alone to no munya access bu no tietia ne so sa no.
And then how comes a police officer would also assault a journalist
no crowd there bonasum say un say police for act quickly
yes
act quickly interdict
yes
for
a journalist doing the job
chana sum na journalist no asumbo we de na wo picture bi na mo maso wo
oh yes
mama na ho
na me ka say owo ayi bi mark bi wo ne ho no mo dada
na bia asumbo no
say no pa de na abra
en centrofo mo mpa de che say ya bro yes small sacrifice story bra
Jojo.
Make I say 2004, 2008. Me kwa jusu jambe. Me na me kwa report 2 year. Sabre no me fida dem. Na uko police station by police station for police station results. Ube collecting in our babesia wo na wo. Ube chain na wako collation center aje final results. Now what dear ba and son wait me aba. Eti as a young lady in my early 20s. Na me da that time na nya josu na joabe na josu joabe. Na foreign affairs minister Kofo Abreso former ona na yem hye bedwani wo ho. Ono na eduomi ebetu no. And son na kire wo mu chem ama
ajusu anya ne de.
Ajusu abenya ne de ama kuma ababefa John kuma ababefa. Na oba besia ye to me to twene ho no me free one police station utra moto so na wakọ ha na wakọma the number of ballot papers ya tie na waje resource no uya no asaba another police station wa behwe ni din na wabusa the number of people who are eligible to vote the number of people who are eligible to vote na wahu how many and omatima abeto anopai na waje uya no asentu be twa ho ajuso jabe ye de ho ajuso jabe na kuta and also police stations be puru de wo ho
na remote area
oh na wonna mu krasi na wawie na adre no 6 na ye frefre wo no ye be frɛ wa ma live report say crowd dey say we be constituency bi ne de central for be 4 ne ato omogu first won kwa e do koto one constituency a won kwa na one ma resource anu ma report wa we are no about collation center na collation center ndi onu omo beda ho because see it me gather all the police station results no na ye declare that time na ye declare police station ho collation center ho we are and sana wo as a journalist ye jawa mo aba na ati wona wo per report no a wo ho abon wan se obi di moto obetam ballot box no akọ na ya kire na ya bu no ene de say obi tam ballot box de adwane de ye last year elections yana ebi mutimi kwotete pink sheet mu first in the na nya kura
yes abrana na ballot box kura na aye ye humu
oh yes opaque na humu ene de say ye ene de ballot box timisi wom ye wie kan first no ha say ye be for police station de we ko ye be fa we ko ekọ eti ye to oba na ne ye no afrim na kakra na kana ne announce Obrempo mi gidi say the SC His Excellency John Dramani Mahama na memo abreso.
Oh yes.
Mean a very peaceful gentleman.
Yeah.
And opinion a lot of young people look up to him. Obedin fie na no asako. Momfa record bi se meguna ni mo se. And unim every tete Rollins abreso there was this tag ma NDC for you to travel. Woman working hard
to redeem.
Listen, NDC are working hard to redeem their image. And Bruno, young people, any interest in the party.
Yes.
And Momo Massa passed the name Rin Sefesibium.
Yes, I
Diana net that almost so first no not tag be ho NDC 4-time lawyer for one more time judges, 1 more year to try for a violent political party. They have worked hard. NDC a year Juma day a Juma so as sasa image you know. I'm say crown and now a bimukre who's MPP for mum and a year to try for. Because of Onyema be a course, they have worked hard. Because I will show image a PNDC, NDC, Eja to Honua, na enya papa. But during Professor Mills Abreso, Omo rebranding NDC party no. I'm a net mo party etimi aya kono. I'm a kona yentino. A lot of young people
are joining,
and they want to be part of it. If someone say NDC has rebranded, first krana in a usha NDC t-shirt and now ferry.
So the befa room.
First now we share NDC t-shirt. Now ferry. Ashanti region krana o ferry krana.
Ashanti Eastern.
There be won't be say. We NDC ni krana o disiye. But publicly
they are proud of saying
of NDC. They are proud to say in Ashanti region, Eastern region, Western region, and Crawford, I'm proud to be part of the political party. Namo sabema that past noa. Na yesemu da mo buns and trofo. Mumpe mumpemra. Moya to trofo. Esa berry surface dia. I don't think His Excellency John Dramani Mahama or Bemman Basa. I don't think Omube Jaisa. As I said, they have worked hard to rebrand the party. As I say, young people be brave. NDC omakono, NDC omofe. But 1992 ne year resurface.
And test case no
1996 year resurface. 2000 year resurface.
True.
As I see a share. Na ye dane no.
Yeah.
Mo amune nam social media mo ye it serve them.
Comparisons.
It served them. Except Aba President ka sembio say abeb dibo techino. Enwa ne de boba. But ye who ne say Ghana ka bebia ye drui. From 1992 we enter into a democratic era. Na ye see yempe military wu, yempe coup d'etat. Na ye timi edi ye wuni enka so far so good. We have come far
after 33 years.
Of practicing democracy. Na 19 police stations. Where nipa bitimi gada and a petty and I'm telling you sir some boys no omo kwaye sa na obrempon it enye omo on their own. There are leaders ni company for be territory
order to do that.
Oh yeah. Boys no kwantimi gada wom and omo kro omo ntimi hu say police station here 19
years
o meda hu say we wa ha and I say we wa ha there was an insight
even as at Enra Canada Japan Brian Champon Baumia they were all on grounds and adwunu nyina binum kra no omo na eto spa omo bokat na ade nyina so they knew say nipa smesi wa ha obenten wa ha they knew
to be honest with you, media security agencies no because videos now fly online no. Now when my dear bakukure wo mu ya na say and recently and 24-hour economy ya launch ya person other foreign investors ewuram no mbabuama Ghana fa ntuma pefra. Now, yeah, this sound for you way to and only one thing about social media it does not forget.
Oh yeah.
And now when Banian Kwan show said the share Ukraine and the Russian war no. so what I say we are some man haje fufu no what do you do no we dey obehwe nkwa enti na wo hwe said here me pencho never be nyasiri say me hwe any kodi di brai so
say ye adwumanti we are na who say ye ense free
okay for God and country for ba say no na nkwa anajo enti we twam enti say wo hwe ade a ya practice from 1992 ni aboye ho modern na nne ye de samfonyiri wei me say wo hwe some of the videos no ebana as a civil war esi Ghana obi ko busa what is going on Ablekuma North omo ye rerun
just a while ago na me share BBC they are also reporting from just 19 polling stations in Ghana. BBC is reporting Niayei to the international world.
But Interior Minister Koho, or so more my son in
SOMPA FM.
They will ensure perpetrators they are brought to book.
We wouldn't leave this Yen Central for Yen reminding on this.
Of course.
But then sometimes I say to say depend be no corner. No was as no this. Ni esi ya mpanimfo te ho committee ya besi ne. Yante ho hwi bi mu kire ye say we so nkoma bia.
Abempo mabu
asampao. Yet Ghana hana me nkire nkwachire chirepone by elections.
Yeah.
Yenya a certain minister ebe ye report say obi atutuo abanekam at that time Interior Minister Benjamin Kumbo say obi atutuo a shooting no through the window the glasses amoya investigation na tuo was fired in the car to outside besina yanka ho ya yante ho pe besine in 2010 ewa atiwa eno na yete say oh ye kire on bibi kitu agu atiwa 2010
yeah
ekosi say kire we maka kire pone
wakatiwa time
bisi ye na no 2020 so bisi ya si won kranza techiman
yeah
because si we adwura shootings e course no kwa na nya election ayawa so by election e si ye hu shootings etu a ya toto awie ho yi emproprowa emieti emel short commission
yawa so de mekai ba
emel short commission not the report by ye mama what report recommendations ye dia ya juma enti yesi ohwe sabio se dokono aben mi hu se dokono na ben kra na ye to ahye de
obeuse aben
se we de aben dokono na hye enti ni esisi nra ni ache that committee am o matena so ye the taxpayers money etua committee ne ka aye report to their back basically. Yet in 2020, I think it was part of NDC manifesto. No more campaigns. No more. They never say. They will make sure that ML Short Commission no report. No, they will put it to work. ML Short Commission no report go so that NDC and Timiama in 2020. By in 2024. In 2025, the happenings the Mayete ML Short Commission no and the AC. The happenings na ma yete committee
it is enka recommendations na buy na nke di so a enka bi as vigilantes ni adi enka hooligans enka perform
mo sheda ya bande wo mo enti edin no se se ye jai azoka boys
na boga bulldogs
ye jai but ye enkofo foforo
ma me no mo se
edin no ma se edin o ma se di krofo kro na
e ye de foforo join ni
ma me ajo ade baako a ya na nipa bi suro se wo mo beka how recruitment into our security agencies. It is born out of all these vigilante groups. because party na bread. We suffered for the party.
Yes, yeah, appreciate it.
Yeah, body near the call J party no ma ba ben, so let's appreciate party boys and girls. Near the Makugu security agencies no. Now and rana Ghana today na make us same way. Shen kwada ekosia cadet e school. Yeah, recruitment san kwada na yemfa wo.
So omo kra na ko manya pre-training.
Good.
We are well equipped. No more continue. Yeah, what the and then I need you home.
Yeah, by your recruitment, mommy, when was the last time a be our say? Yeah, recruitment. Now, for 4 quarter, L work 1 week. Portal near BIB. And say we are seeing no recruitment near you.
Yeah, be an enemy, no.
And so you are funny
perry.
Now say I said it was it last week or last 2 weeks. And I'm going for passing out. Police.
Last week.
Now go for passing out. But we say South for the passing out. MP Ben enya slot. Minister Ben enya slot. Council of State members are in enya slot.
Yeah, chiche.
Yeah, chiche the amount.
Obi amfani de emra.
And so omwa SOMPA FM. Ewo pepa no se ombeye djuma na nkasa. How many times? Ena omo enya slot aranso omutimi log in to the portal. A omutimi call ye konyae. Oh, say it's now maimuna ye say ya. Eya na hadwen. My uncle Hamana so kwatem komo ifiri obra. Ye ne Francis Ahoy. Executive Secretary the Global Security for African Research. Ye no enkomo na ye nhwe. Pani yetime kan we Francis Ahovi, sorry, me go kan Ahoy. Francis Ahovi. Pani yetime kan SOMPA 106.5 FM so ne me mo ha o.
Yo, me jimuso. Em se mo hu ye de.
Awurade adom ye ho ye pa. Me pa cho na ho so e.
Oh, yen so ye ho ye.
Ye de awurade ase. Pani wadaroma o ye wo Ablekumanov sesiye. Minim se videos a twagu nyina bia wanya bia hwe. Wanya nsem ni bia kenkan. Ba bia ye gina 19 polling stations. The hooliganism a ekoso. Pani mini kan you initial reaction and answer remarks ewo ho.
Yo mi da se mi akwenya no. Meka se yesi wo Ablekumanov no adibia can say as a matter of fact, I am highly disappointed in what is happening because when you say there were only 19 police stations, police for now say moving fast say they call to Ablekumanov no. We say police station they go to Abano among those on there, but they need to take intelligence earlier on. I mean when they say they have to know that there is a call to see on enya dia ebeye betesa because of the who say MPP say yen go to Aban because they are winning dada. NDC also say oh yen go to Aban bill and must say yes in so the police must take intelligence from here say the way Niamano kono a bit must say in Kofu bi better with nya room a bit there party for and now bit there in Kofu phobia on bet nya must say to try their course. Police from Omanfa enough security personnel tackle ground horse on those just say no bet nya call you. So make us say adibia enye and second reason it means say when you attack you were journalists any some political figures the youth organizer any MPP any mami how country all those things no adibia yes can say enya dia the business ano where the politics were serving there because the business can say no let me say how I come see honorable or your MP war can say also senior is also is here and there on this one during that can say we will show you what power lies so that's supposed to be curtailed by the police so there's Ablekumanov no simple and short no make can say election is not a battlefield as I say say culture ya say one we campaign better obetina say as a Ghanaians we could meet our hopes and our aspirations and yet you better say your match for your vigilante for so in a brief no make us say my initial comment I work at Karamaka say it needs to be condemned and the police hierarchy almost depend be by. Now so make us say it's not enough. The IGP must be speaking now and telling people what has happened. They have to do what it takes. There should be stronger deployment and training for election security personnel and before say on the correct side. You will be say your election be or had options so there. All those things supposed to be done. But what we have seen so far means that the police was not prepared before this election.
Osha security no in perspective prior to ene. Ebra Electoral Commission announces yebeko rerun ene no. Electoral Commission ankasa as an entity. Osha ni aye hu ya oboa ne ho in terms of security.
So that was it. Yebeka say National Task Force move share elections. So any staff force no anyhow that what I didn't like. Oh, we say it was under a different IDP. So there Yebeka say that collaboration between Electoral Commission, any police sector, and he said this time it is not too good because it means some time ago Electoral Commission for Bisa said we want to announce the results at Ablekumano. So here police for protection. But new anti ambassador because we said this in minority and the national ancestor results no make announced. So that hot call for this how we call it this rerun at the 19 police station. So as much besides Electoral Commission may answer 50-50 because make can say fine. Electoral Commission maybe say but ban the summary of everything he said. And when it comes to providing security, either Electoral Commission for more invitee police for now more invitee is the first and prerogative work of the police. They did they need to provide security and not this very important and crucial elections and no one can say as I say a coaching way but like I say both Electoral Commission need police reform and especially the police sector has failed for me during this election.
Papa my answer dear ha elections ankasa ekoso any security any hooliganisms are ekoso election mu no obeka na say oman yi yesua de
the make say yansia he and abrofo we can say Maribon Stofasi say the recent attack on security personnel and by unidentified people this kind of hooliganism ekoso no ebetina can say yansia de then tina yansia de just because they use minimum and not say factor be over because if the law is not able to apprehend the people, this you are so then I hear some cophone, this your petition, then I hear some cophone, this your baby any other places are entry box omudi. So a bit me can say, oh, it is now. A bit me can say, and the democracy that Ghana has gained. We are eroding it little by little. Me, to be frank, we do for a law at the and send people focus. I didn't say this 19 police station. As I said, the police must do it and do it literally. I did not want to say when we say this new government they came with a slogan research agenda or research agenda will be buying. So every institution must also be up and doing say. They are being ansana, especially when it comes to our area, which is the security. Who say security is first and foremost of everything. Your security and anything must say you bet you going to say oh my because already security anything must say local people and transnational people and international people say almost maybe Duma Biabaha. So all of those things is very important. So what I want to say is that the hooliganism in our security in our election apart from the any kind, the council say, your politicians be more and say some more politicians because they don't have the technical know-how. They are not patriotic enough. Now, so all the sika, almost a year by the big war, Abuja, Omoba, Obi, the other president, fair MP, Obi, President, or your MC, Obi, President, or your minister. Because of that, no, almost sika, we do two election because the law say, only Kusimensa, engineer, only competence but only sika. So almost cano omutimi continue task force dia man who can say those people should be part of our security sector. Now so omuyesa your government in place no omutimi nyesa nkofo she omuchi omuso na omuja the employer sitting say which may we politician be on the nama the national security force ama personnel no any omu na guide omu kasa omu macho. That's why you see that the nation has failed totally. Obia enye training security and state na training. Obetwe we say asine si kwa ana MP kwa minister kwa macho bi na dimiti. Ebasha it has given a lot of job to the security sector. You better say police for no it need blame mu there, but politicians no they be too much pressure to omuso. Omu ko left I say omu bra right. Omu ko north omu say no bra south. Just because politicians they want the police sector to serve them, not to serve the population. So that is the problem we have. So to curtail this in say, omu identify say nkofo omu kokoye start to try to know and then we prompt investigation as I say a man no mudi. Now so at the end of it no a man a bit no media. What Ghana needs now is very fast and fearless action. That's what you need. And also you have to say immediate arrest and prosecution of those involved. Omo cancer de no say immediately no ye chisa nkofo na emra no mudi. And so investigation say here that investigation is supposed to be transparent investigation with real consequences. Omo the investigation this say in force or whatever omo to try them as I say how to call punishment there come on. And as we are talking currently no they here say there should be stronger deployment and training of election security personnel and say omo from now omo can be teach omo to see say ukoye we and yes also a policeman now of two in fact say me bro bi why do you say the okitacho we can say retaliation obetinya to me and obetinya say there be and say banasa we are in a modern democracy. We are in a contemporary time. As I say, we are commensurate to mitigating this violence. Because if you are not friendly with the people and the people are also not friendly with us, at the end of it, and there should be zero tolerance for any political figure or group linked to electoral violence. So it means that penny bishes are here.
Okay.
As I said, and now I'm running. That's the only way a bit now going to check on my ass in the edition.
Okay. Mr. Ovi, share the political parties in perspective. One way involved, directly involved, both MPP and DC. Osha Nipa, Omo Krampoko attacking security forces are a war grounds. Now, after a short commission. After the Ayawaso West Wogon election, ACC, IAT commission, now they all came to resolution say, young vigilante groups say, what party no munina, parties no munina, which of course, all my IAT says so moguno. Uhunu say, where from Sa Nkrofo ya, quote and unquote, ye who say, ye thugs, to overpower these security forces. Eban is saying I drew this particular angle.
And so that what say. Me, I'll blame both parties, especially the current government and the past government. I say, who said Tama vigilance, now so Tama and sometimes on my paying that down or fun for this said Yanni on the training of war. That moment, that is the time that the president is empowered by them. As I said, how to assess running Juma, who your politician or family this. They have to arrest those people not only to retain them, but by then you the soft glove, you the akumapa, you name say, yes, you sit down and then a bit now you did a bit now how mine because there's a failure on the part of government that by them. And that we found for policia, only you're many in the system, and they promise them say, my baby, or one year for feelings I promise you. So almost more and they are once more, almost make sure for more. Now why then this I say they will draw attention of their leaders. So because leaders and performing say buy. So attention will come. Person be there, changing hands. So what I want to say is that as a minor, you need to be serious. Many the president and there. The best here, member ya bet you. So that's why the president or the government or the state say empower police. So police from like the way we treat police is not the best. And this is one too. Because why a big police they bring qualify is because of party affiliation and those things. That they know and only because we are the bring also the British or party biasi and people have more party but because only Godfather and though they are qualified, they are ready to work for the nation. They will never get chance. As I'm here, more than 200 people who want me to connect them to police. But no one knows me. No one knows me. No one knows me. And I know that some of them, they are highly qualified. But on one try, Obi and found. So that's the problem we have.
Okay.
As a nation, when you are in traffic, NTC, I sorry for any Muslim, for all the nation traffic, enough is enough. We have to make sure, say, police are not soldiers, and not conform with the means about Bamboni, whatever. They have to be people who are ready to die for the nation. They are patriotic enough. And yes, it's young come just because of Sika Umbenya. Oh, say, we are Nipa, we are Juma, and so we and so we are the Obeda. We now as Atari Obesheno, and so we that's the theory of Abraham Maslow. We say, now so as a say, over Kumapa, say Juma Okwa Koyenu, who ye Juma na Omo appointed to say IGP, and now your police media and not police commander. Man can say I was appointed during ABCD party and not during this party time. You know, there are many Diano as I say, me and this year a very pleasant to the appointer. Now appointer can say my baby, you need to name a police here. Or more appointing you pay you have to be professional. Whatever they cannot sack you, they cannot teach to intimidate you. But the more say I will intimidate you, no, yes, she say, we now we are the papa. So it has to be firm, it has to be impartial, it has to be a professional enough. So the other can say, yes, that thing they say, I'm going to go back door. Now, one call discount, and son one police, and now they have to stop immediately. That is through every government. It is not only one government. Even as we are speaking, this government should don't know what they are going to do. They now have to make sure, say, that they know, or move in a certain time. Or one a bit and conform more per pack, not on mine say, yeah, Bambo. What is happening currently is highly abysmal and must be condemned by open sundry.
Okay, Baba, before I make Jawa Mawakono, my answer idea by Kubiwaha, we know a indictment at the ma banya or tissue, and I say, idea because ye can't because before 2024 election, no current president was head on tape, say, or can say. NDC they were born out of revolution. Ain't you know, ban of MPP for there to trust them. Xiaoma, they can meet them boot for boot. They can meet them squarely. So in something now, enna waba ne term or tisu se CA. Young who said just 19 police stations. MPP for binumo seen on video. Being molested, being intimidated in such manner. I say police for crampo hedo makoso amonkobo ban ne crampo no. Binumo are being intimidated. I say police for be etwa omo intimidate journalist e kwa akoye omo adwuma. Ye kan ye sunsum ana say indictment on the part of the government say ampa. Wo mo de say ya na anim wom.
What you can say first of all, me and yes, government be can say Sano Muti Debbie, but me no let me be firm enough. My media P. Now because DSCNO a failure on the part of the foreign people. Number one, the Interior Minister. Two, the National Security Minister. Three, the IGP. Because they should know say we need to pick what your friend or Professor Sam say. Early warning signs. Have they developed enough early warning mechanism so that they can identify these things? And they will work as a journalist. Now, so who say, they could see on or who say only 19 police stations, but before then, the community say, oh, they are finished saying, and now obi say nimpeni. As a police sector, you need to pick information earlier enough. And yes, later say I didn't see, and some of can say I am reinforcing. Let us pray somebody here. Dampare, you call by election before the election. Then they say he told us in the field say, oh, this we say by election is one constituency. Now so I'm taking it as a national election. So whatever we have to do for the national election, I'll do the same thing. Or then it's who say by election also like peacefully. A man who say opposition party by then on the winning. So what we want to say is that the national and the almost failure. They should come and talk to the nation right now before and some at the best. I'm telling the fact. So they need to pick what anyone is fine before this time.
Honanka me busa me can be busa sisi enti de wawura mu de fasha wasenka. All these couples awabo mudini nyina should make their voices heard on this matter.
Exactly. It's supposed to be heard. So Mamika said, let us also not pretend say this violence came from nowhere. For too long, the political space in Ghana has tolerated the presence of so-called invisible forces and vigilante group political actors who refuse to condemn such acts. Political actors who refuse to condemn such acts are complicit in the erosion of our peace. So they are the pattern say something from the interior minister, the national security coordinator, and the minister, and then the IGP. And they have to answer a apology to the nation. Now, among my for say the SCNO is out of negligence, it's out of unpreparedness, out of non-professionalism and no identification of these signs. So yes, Remo. But next time, a bit me up the say a bit call you. Yes, sir. Yeah, they already say the best you better. That's and they should also consult people who are competent in those areas. They should not think that they are in government. So, one a bit only will be on PPA, only so bit now, confirm, only will be process, even myself, we will give you up and the complete mechanism that can mitigate this violence.
Yo. Ira ovi me na say waje brenia da je na wache chense mu na we na akwaya running story say ni de yes I trans bio a we de dane ho kakraba yes I trans bio na se bi fufuro bi ha ba kira be san ba na bambo se mu no wasan ma yafutu wo ho ye da se bebre
yo yenso ya na mo ase
right abusi independent bon komo Ira Francis Ahovi we executive secretary at the Global Security for African Research and I know abon komo we nyina ye Ablekumanov about 1% so no just 19 polling stations. The security concerns are ekoso ewo ho no and I akobomu enkomo no channel so yenya wura mobro asemu die ma mefa we ento aso tew enfama secure sanitary pad pad papa ya unya bia da bia me kan say oyo ba oye bema tobi mema no kra nto oye bema tobi o girlfriend no tobi ma no wo yire tobi ma no obaba tobi mano wadamfo oba no tobi mano o maame ontwa abranko ade a tobi mano nyabotre mano secure sanitary pad ehun komo na me ne wo bo no unyam e de man say ekimu a wobeda wase papa sanse secure sanitary pad no eno na obia ebo me pacho nya na ewo provision stores na empo pharmacies ne kura wo muton bi sesei supermarket ahodo tabletop ba bia ubenya bia to wo kumase furniture ewo mama excellent cosmetics ewo kumase adum pz and afi kwada so extra taxi station hono ano ubenya bia to 0243862158 0243862158 na afi onimpani emo eho enkomo na bibia enye fine endpoint homeopathic clinic eho ene yakwaja rehwe ne aresa nyina ewo mepacho endpoint homeopathic clinic udu ho a ena abehunu sampa bibia da na kwan mu ayasane arehwe no ni nyina eye correct ewo ho pa eno nti nia ehawo free wutri nua no kosi ubobra no udu endpoint homeopathic clinic ye behwe eyi ni nyina e de free ho na wonso ho etimi ato pa udu ho anyare wa udu bi ti se prostate ho hawo ena agi waboso wo saabo o mrabuo no mu hawo enti ni mu asisi eno nti amani ama ntimi nkɔ yie emfa mawo a mepacho ne kyerem ɛwɔ endpoint homeopathy clinic na afei wɔno ɛmoa wo paa ɛhɔ uduru hɔ a Dr. Adubuaten ɛne ne na doctor fo na wɔn mo ɛwɔ hɔ no ɛbɛhwɛ wo ama bibia nso atimi akɔ yie ɛde ama wo endpoint homeopathy clinic uduru hɔ betimi aka sɛ I am free endpoint ɛhɔ ɛno no gye numbers yi na frɛ 02